Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for all the applause. Thank you. I know I hold these rallies like every 5 days, but this one is special. I just want to send a special message out to your boy Trumpito, a.k.a. El Presidente, El Mas Frio. I'm just kidding. I hate Spanish. I want all of you Dominicans to leave the country at once. Shout out to Jeff Sessions. Listen to me. There's been a lot of malarkey being spoken about me in the media, the fake news, especially the fake news. Jake Tapper, you haven't tapped ass in years. You're a liar. You're fake news. Listen to me. There's a lot of violence on both sides of the aisle, on the odd left and the odd right. You understand what I'm saying? There is equal blame. Okay? Nazis have rights too. In the words of a very esteemed, smart guy, Desus H. Nice, a.k.a. Desus H. Fuego, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, you gotta hear both sides.
My God, what's this? That's Desus Nice music.
Hold on, wait, hold up. That's trademark. You can't use it.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Desus Nice.
No, I'm not speaking at your rally.
In the building. He's here for my rally. Thank you, Desus.
Fuck you, Trump. We're not with you. We don't rock with you. Live for the lie. Die for the hive. Die for the hive. Do the drop.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Did somebody suicide bomb at the end of that? Is that too dark? I'll die for the hive! I'll die for the hive!
And it's just a wild explosion. Yo, can't wait to get that visit from the Secret Service.
Oh shit!
The Secret Service even.
I don't give a fuck about that nigga.
They don't investigate shit. They got mad unread voicemails and
you know
shit.
What I'm saying?
Yo, it's episode 76. 76.
Trust the process.
We want to make everyone claro. That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
This is the Trust the Process episode?
Yeah.
Yo, sorry about last week. We've been going so hard.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas going hard.
You can't be mad at us. Come on,
man. You know what we do. We get smizzy. We come up.
Yo, you know when you look at on PETA's website and they be having like the fucking cows and they be having like the wild machines to their nipples and the cows is miserable. Like, could be out my misery. That's us making the TV show the art. We got nothing. We leave it all on the table for you every day.
Every day. This is mentally exhausting.
I can't take it anymore.
My udders are sore.
Yeah. Then I look at the bank account and I'm like, let's go, nigga. It's Desus Nice, aka Desus Vice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, aka Chris That Poor Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Boochus Gullible, Slow Banana Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Deep State Fuego, Mr. Nando's Dorando, 1994 en Nueva York, Mikhail going off, the Juve Boss. MC Little Gunga P, pulling up for 40 with your shorty, aka Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
I don't know you, dog. Who the fuck are you?
That also goes for the Lyft and the Juno. The original, my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Desus Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Mazel tov.
Wow.
Jermaine Avocado Toast. That's right. Pay me $17 for a piece of bread with avocado on it.
That's right.
Or if you're Jamaican, pear. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Young Charcuterie out the Coonery. A.K. Chili Ramon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K. K. Vice K. Makuzaka. Two Phone Jones. Desus S. Machina. Day Chuckles. Stanley Cubs. The Human Dr. Bonner's label. Leonardo DiCaprio. Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry. Yeah. Preferably small text files so I can look at it on a dollar.
Is that caramel?
Hey. DJ Woolite, a.k.a. you're listening to Washed FM. Up next, we have 4 hours of special ed.
I got it made.
The Curry Goat, DJ Spice, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew, the Moreno. You cannot.
You cannot.
Don't even attempt. Do not even attempt. I'm like the rail. The Human Meme, word the Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budquest, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Kids, me, Veteran Boofin. The Human Word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on deck and 10. Ricky Tiki Squavi, Greg Pavlovich, Mero Morrissey, your chestnut, Muhammad Gabi, not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. And I am the art, damn it. Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad breezy like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asiatic your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, Mess Marina, with fresh misdemeanor, echo demeanor, aka your problematic baby. Mwah, mwah. Bitch. Let me kiss your baby and give it herpes. that really happened. That's sad.
Damn, you'd be tight.
You be more than tight.
Well, like, damn, this nigga got
Damn, this nigga, how you gave my baby herpes?
Damn, son.
That's not a funny story to tell when your kid is older.
So guess what? My kid got herpes from Desus.
Oh.
Yo, episode 76, Trust the Process. You know what I'm saying? We always come through.
Process.
You know what I mean?
We recording this on a Sunday, nigga.
Yeah, on a Sunday, the Lord's Day, fam. We out here doing it.
Does that mean we're the Lord?
Huh?
Does that make us the Lord?
We the Trap Lords.
Hey.
The Ferg. We're on our Fergenstein. You know who it is, man. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Loader, a.k.a. James St. Fat Dick, I'll ghost on you, shorty. A.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man. Look at my dab. I am Mama Sushi. Whole loading the hookah was good. A.k.a. check the guesses again, you fat fucking worm. I'm definitely on it. And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you check. You dickhead. I'm fucking Mero, nigga. A.k.a. I cannonball into the deep end to impress my kids, nigga, because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.k.a. Ben Smack, be your boy. A.k.a. Feel the Ass Tyson. A.k.a. Lionel Messi, MVP of La Mota. I have so many goals. The bong is never cashed. A.k.a. Tom Bracey. Shorty got my balls deflated. I'm facing suspension, but I'm coming back strong. A.k.a. the Dominican Dada. A.k.a. Dick in your baby Matumbo. You know, come with this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. That's it. A.k.a. Ben Boston. I have the precision of a Swiss watch. I will remove your brainstem and replace it with a USB cord. Now you can download the blurry Pinot Desus is always talking about. You're welcome.
We love you, man.
Work on your masturbation technique, ma. A.k.a. Lighten El Dutchie. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke ass ain't got vibe. So don't even come up to me, dog. If you try to smoke dimes in 2017, like we're copping ounces, like from California, nigga, and they're vacuum sealed. Like, don't even come up to niggas with tray bags. Don't disrespect us. AKA, I'll open your medicine cabinet, nigga. Secure the benzos, because you know who it is. The Zen Man, AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Zeniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Baby Newport. I got 2.5, nigga. That's garbage on the way. AKA Nino Brown, meet me in front of the Hojo. AKA East Tree, my Stevie B. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. AKA straight from across the pond. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with a beer that I boofed on behalf of Jesus Nice. You know what I'm saying? AKA the only nigga to drop 62 at the Garden and not give a fuck. Barmelo's Anthony. Swish bang! If you see me at Target, dog, respect my agency while I mess up the chapstick aisle. You know what I'm saying? Approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal or get mauled. Hasan, tírame la pista que llegó el hijo Titi FIFA, coño. Llegale el flow, no te duermes, en la gran puta. Déjala, está haciendo gusto que tú no eres de nada, loco. Si tú te pareces por aquí, loco, yo te exploto. ¿Oíste? We are last week tonight, my nigga. The hookahs is lit.
Hey.
Papi, que lo que? Episode 76.
76, we in the building.
Yeah.
Remember, 1776, that was when America was founded,
Oh,
correct?
yeah.
So this was has nothing to do with that.
America. Shout out to America. And
Shout out to America. Shout out to everyone that listening to this podcast. Last time we were here in Red Bull Studios.
Crystal clear. Audio clarity.
Yeah, that crystal clear. We were making jokes about the upcoming nuclear war.
Yeah.
Now we're off that.
It's old news.
Old news. That was like 3 years ago. Now we on Nazis.
Nazis.
Back on the Nazi shit.
Back on the Nazi tip.
We're back living in Wolfenstein 3D.
My God. How does this happen? Well, how's the country episode of 24? Every fucking episode is like, yo, wow, new crisis.
They're very dramatic crises.
Yo. Yeah, it's never like, yo.
Like,
Congress
shit
is
used to
shutting
always
down.
be like this. It'd be like, oh, we got to move like the fucking capital gain ceiling,
Yeah.
the debt ceiling.
Oh, Congress can't agree on a budget.
Oh,
I'm like,
are they gonna have enough votes for healthcare? Oh, we're at an impasse.
Nah, nigga, it's nuclear war.
Yeah, nuclear war.
Russian hacking.
Today, Nazis took over us. Like, what the fuck?
500 white niggas with torches. Like, what?
I think we're gonna wake up tomorrow. It's gonna be like, yo, because we mad monkeys with guns. Like, nah, fuck that. Fuck that. You seen Planet of the Apes, nigga? That shit was not. That shit was a warning. While we all sleeping,
Yeah.
everyone's gonna be like, does that monkey have a blue vest like the red?
What the fuck is going on?
I don't want to attack it as a liberal. I feel that it's not. If I attack the monkeys, I'm just as bad as the monkeys. Sorry, y'all.
Sorry, yo. That was the wild sub at DeRay, man. Come on.
That
man.
was.
Keep
Come
it
on, let's keep it
funky.
funky.
Like,
Y'all just don't like DeRay.
Come on.
You don't like DeRay. You don't like Netta. You don't like Crystal.
Nope.
There's certain people on Twitter you people just don't like,
You know what I mean?
and the first chance to go at them, you're like, round, bring it out. Twitter comes at everybody.
They got drafts.
Niggas don't got drafts. Niggas got macros. Like they just be like F1 and shift, and the shit just
Pop.
start populating tweets automatically. Bringing up screenshots from bitch.
Oh, your fave said this.
I got this on deck from 2010.
Your fave called somebody fat.
Speaking of fat, Christie has pulled himself out of contention.
The Fupa got himself.
Actually, he didn't get pulled. I think they were just like, nah, we're good.
Nah, we're good because we know what's gonna happen. You're gonna go on the radio, and everybody in New Jersey is gonna call for incessantly and curse you out.
That would be fun for like the first
2 days.
2 days. Then it'd be like, no, there'd be
Then
no
it's like,
sports
oh, God.
involved. So
Imagine listening to WFN for sports and Chris Christie's the dude, and every call is like, "You fat piece of shit! You fucking fat worm! I hate your fucking guts! My house was flooded! I lost everything! You closed the bridge!" He's like, "The Yankees lost 5-2 last night against the Twins in a hot one, late game, unwritten."
hey, Chris, first time, long time. I just like to call in and say,
How you doing? How you doing, Chris?
hey, you ever see your dick?
That's nice. We have the same name. What? What?
When's the last time you seen your dick?
Why would you say such a hurtful thing? You know what? You're just a communist from Montclair.
Oh, am I?
That's your problem.
You're
just
a bully.
You're a communist.
You're a bully.
And you're a stinking.
I hope you eat some gabagool
You're
out
a
your fucking
stinking
belly
red
button, you
commie.
asshole.
You're a stinking red commie. You think you're a big shot, okay? To quote the great Billy Joel.
I hope a Swedish meatball blocks one of your major arteries.
You know
I'll hang
what?
up and listen.
You know what? You know what? Get out of here. Get out of here. Just for that. Hey, Steve, bring me another Coke, a regular Coke. I need the sugar. And close the bridge.
A regular Coke.
Close the bridge.
They can just close the bridge. They just have the red button like,
bridge.
like,
And if you motherfuckers want to call in and talk spicy, I'll close every fucking tunnel.
Bah, bah, bah.
It's like the Buffalo Wild Wings button and shit.
Nah. Oh, Maroon. Chris closed the bridge.
Yeah, that's
hey,
right.
Maria, I'm going to be late. Hey, don't bust my balls. What do you
Yeah.
want? Christie closed the bridge again.
Sorry.
Hey, I'm
Yeah.
over here by exit 17. I'm not going to make it home.
Yeah, sorry, asshole.
Keep stirring that sauce, though. Keep it,
Yeah.
keep the viscosity going.
And enjoy all the Dominicans hanging out in Fort Lee indefinitely. You pieces of shit.
Shout out to everyone in Elizabeth. Elizabeth is a weird place because it's like you're close enough to see the bright lights of the Big Apple, but you're just like, damn.
This is not it.
This ain't it. That's an HBO series. This ain't it.
This ain't it.
Life in Elizabeth. Like watch
It
everyone
sounds
from
very nice too. It sounds like British almost, like Elizabeth.
Nah, nigga.
Think it's downtown Abbey? Hell no, nigga. That shit is downtown fucking Newark.
Oh, a little New Jersey side. You can slam New Jersey.
Yeah,
you can
all
slam
day.
Jersey.
You know
You know what I'm saying? Oh, wow. What else happened in the news this week?
What didn't happen?
Shout out to A-Track and Fool's Gold Day Off. Fool's Gold. Went to that yesterday, came through, was hanging with B.I.C.
You know what I'm saying?
With their, they got the problematic name. We love them regardless.
The little bros, you know what I'm saying?
Everyone was there. Freeway was there. Leaf was there. Nolita. Free. He ripped it down. J Electronica came through.
Did Free do the J Electronica? Wow, man, his rare appearance.
Yeah, they weren't sure if he was gonna show up, but he was there.
Wow,
So
he did Lauryn Hill niggas.
Nah, he didn't Lauryn Hill niggas. Shout out to everyone that was out there repping their Bodega Hive merch. Niggas was out there dead. People was out there heavy.
Yeah.
He was out there heavy. Shout out to Shorty that snuck in the VIP to take the picture with me.
That's
he
right.
wild, ma.
Shout out to Victor for fucking single-handedly making that happen.
Yo.
And there's more coming, y'all.
Yes.
If you didn't get one the first time, there's more coming. Don't worry.
We got a restock coming.
You know what I'm saying?
We're going to give you at least 24 hours warning.
Yep.
And don't worry, for the big boys, we got the bigger shirts on deck at 10.
3XLs.
You know, the 3XLs. Like, cause listen, we're like big baller brand.
You know what I'm saying?
Victor hand sews every shirt.
Every shirt.
Himself.
With each strand of hair from his beautiful head.
He's like Rumpelstiltskin.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
So pay homage when you see him.
All right? So the shirts might smell a little funny.
It might, but
They smell like soccer.
Everything is infused with 24 karat magic.
There you
So
go.
understand it and grasp it.
Bruno Mars. You can dance every dance from a Bruno Mars video while wearing a shirt.
You wear the shirt? It's like MC Hammer's magic shoes in the cartoon. Remember that shit?
Nigga said MC Hammer's magic shoes.
Yo, remember that shit?
At one point in history, MC Hammer was so popping, he had two cartoons.
Two. And they were on Saturday morning.
One
Saturday
was
morning
like more
used to be a big deal.
straightforward, and the other one was like more esoteric and wacky.
It was wacky.
What the fuck was going on?
He had magic shoes that every time he put them on, he could dance his ass off.
Remember, he had a very, very problematic KFC commercial.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Is that YouTube?
How did KFC, not KFC Barstool, how did KFC fuck up being #1 chicken?
How? They had it on. They had the chicken game in a
It
headlock.
used to be, you thought chicken. You went to a picnic. You picked up a bucket of KFC. You know what I'm saying?
It was the Popeyes.
What the fuck is Popeye? You might drive back like, I'm gonna go visit my bam ass country cousins down south.
Oh, that's where the dope fiends be at. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's
now,
nigga, take me to Popeyes every day over KFC.
Nigga, bring some KFC to my house for a barbecue. I'm fighting you for your mother.
You disrespect me like that?
Yo, niggas holding me back. My fucking Burberry shirt is ripping. I'm like, I'm pussy. I'm pussy.
Yo, chill.
You gonna really bring KFC in front of my children?
I got hot sauce for it.
You gonna bring KFC in front of my mother?
Yo, my fault, my nigga. I didn't know it was that serious.
Yo, get the burner.
Yo,
tired of shit.
Chill.
Niggas just air out the barbecue.
Directed by Tyler Perry. Shadwell starring.
Is this a? Hold on. There's raisins in this potato salad.
Yeah.
Look at the one white person at the barbecue. She's like, first of all, I'm albino. I was like, oh, sorry, Sherry.
Sorry, my bad.
It's my cousin. She can't really be in the sun.
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Albinos really can't. Can they put on sunblock? I don't know anything about science.
Everyone should put on sunblock.
I know a lot about science. Bro.
Listen, there's an eclipse coming up. Don't look upon the sun.
Yeah, the fuck your eyesight.
You're gonna burn out your retinas, and then you're gonna be like, it's gonna be sad. You're gonna have to use like a stick and shit.
No, it's gonna be terrible for you.
It's gonna be like. It's pretty bad to like burn out your retinas.
Yo,
like,
fam.
People are not gonna have sympathy for you.
No, because you did it to yourself.
Also, I'm not a scientist. I'm not Neil deGrasse Tyson. But what I've read online is solar eclipse is when Satan passes in front of
that's a fact.
God's lamp.
It's a scientific fact.
And puts a shadow on.
That's what it says.
Yes. So if so, therefore, PQ, that's a Babylon thing.
Babylon thing, pure Babylon thing.
So
yeah,
do not engage in the eclipse. What I tell you more people to do,
know what I mean?
Turn on more lights in your house.
That's right.
To let people know run with the darkness.
No look upon the sun.
You're going to end up bad-minded.
That's what happens. You look at the sun, bad-minded.
You're like, I'm bad-minded.
Oh, you're too bad-minded. You're too bad-minded. The songs I'm playing and shit like, no!
It happened. It happened to my cousin. It happened to my cousin Panyard.
Shankle Panankle.
For shizzle. That's what they say when they put the white sheet over you when you dead in Jamaica. They be like, for shizzle.
For shizzle.
That's how Law and Order Jamaica starts.
Yo, for shizzle.
Someone's jogging. Someone's walking a goat and they see a body and they're like, oh Lord.
Oh,
and you're like, dunk. What a one?
Yo.
Male jogger.
Oh shit, man. That nigga pulls the sheet back. It's the nigga with holding the cakes open. You're like, no. Like, oh. Let me have the cake soap.
Let me see this before.
Yeah.
They use the cake soap. In San Francisco, they call this a lucky steamer.
Yeah, shut the ass for you and all these fucking $1 billion incarnations. Yo, Dick Wolf, can you give us $1 million? Not to do anything, just to give us $1 million because we know that you got it laying around. Why not? Why not?
I feel like we ask for that every 2-3 episodes.
Yeah, why not?
The thing is, we don't actually want to we want to bring back New York Undercover. Here's a key point to the problem with this. We don't want to do the work involved
that's a lot.
In creating New York Undercover. Yeah.
We
We're
like
lazy.
to ad-lib, as you can see. Like,
no, not even that. I don't want to get dressed up. I don't want to go on a set. I don't want to do nothing.
I feel like, I feel you. I feel like it would become a grind, but I feel like those first couple episodes when you throw on advancing, you're gonna be like, yo, this shit is lit.
Yeah.
And you see a couple episodes like polished.
And that
TV.
should be mad cool too. Like the car from the set is taking me home through Harlem, and I see a old head on 143rd wearing the same outfit. They're like, yo, that's Prison John. He's like, what's up? Still getting that money out here, baby.
Hey, baby.
You know what it is. The block is hot, so's my hand.
What y'all call it? Getting to that shmoney?
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
That's right, young blood.
Look at my shoes. Look at my shoes. I call this Bodak Orange.
They got on Dub Zeros. Yo, are those shunned in the sneakerhead community?
What, the Dub Zeros?
Yeah, the original Dub Zeros. Because I remember when they came out, everybody in the hood was rocking them.
There's very few sneakers that are shunned.
Right.
Like the only ones I think are shunned are like the All Lives Matter, those white dad ones. Like You can pull off any sneaker.
Right.
I'm Jamaican. Listen.
Yeah. He's like, yo, I'll make it happen.
You watch our illustrious show, Desus and Mero, Monday through Thursday.
Oh, where you get the new mics about it?
You sound like my mother. Stop it.
Yeah.
Shout out to my mother, who
You know what I'm saying?
I right now I'm living in full house.
Still in the cut?
Still in the house. Still she chilling in my house. And my sister broke her ankle, so she also lives with me. So
Mrs. Desus in the cut. That's a scary sight.
yo, that shit is mad wild. Like I come off like a set. Like I'm at Food's Go, just jumping around. Niggas is like taking photos and shit. They're like,
Yeah, you the man.
yo, out here, yo, Jesus, oh my God, yo, oh my God, I can't believe Jesus is here.
Yo.
I get back, my mother's like, I'm glad you back. You need to scrub the tub because none of us can use it. Why would you leave it in a condition like that? I was like, lady, I have a TV show. Pharrell said I'm special.
She's like, you over there scooping your chest hair out the shit. Like, damn.
I'm like, damn. I was like, damn, I did leave it kind of
I
dirty.
did,
I was
I
like,
did.
but also, how did you know it was me?
How, like, she's like, oh, I got chest hair? What you trying to say?
She was like, because I wash it out after every use. I was like,
Stop snapping the belt and
I was
shit.
like, I'm sure you do. She was like, what'd you say? I was like, nothing.
Nothing.
I'm gonna just go fill out.
unfortunate.
I'll just go fill out this SAG form.
My parents come around, I go on auto flinch mode. Like,
Yo.
everything. I'm like, oh shit, oh what?
I said some hot shit back to my mother the other day, and I listen.
Took 2 steps back
I was like,
immediately.
yo, I think I did the SpongeBob meme thing to her. Like, she said. She said something, and I was like, "Meh." She was like, "Excuse you?" Not excuse me. She said, "Excuse you," and I was like, "Yeah, I was wild. I'm sorry.
Don't
hit me. I'm a grown ass man, but don't hit me." Oh,
And you gotta eat it. Like, what are you
Listen.
gonna do? Smack your mom? Like,
there's people listening to this. Like, I don't see what the problem is. That guy, yo, rest in peace to the shorty that died in Charlottesville.
yo, R.I.P.
Heather Hayes.
Hayer.
She the guy that drove the Dodge Charger, which is everyone that knows Dodge Chargers are very bad cars.
Cop car.
It's a cop car, and it's also for people who signed up to be in the military, but wasn't really with the shits about going to war.
Right, so they use that $20K to put the down payment on the Charger.
You got it.
I got 10 left to pay on this shit.
Might be a black guy, goes down south.
You know what I'm saying?
Marries a white girl.
They got the down south plates.
You know what I'm
You see
saying?
him across Bronx driving all brazy.
You
Like,
know what
yo,
it
who is this
You know
guy?
what it is. Hey, shout out to everyone in the reserves.
Shanta,
Anyway,
y'all.
back to the story. He drove the Dodge Charger into the crowd. He had been previously arrested or charged with beating up his mother over video games.
Wow.
See?
Wow. And that's the funny shit. Like, I don't know what episode it was that I did the fucking, I'm fucking Jared, you asshole. Like,
Yeah.
what is it, Tyler?
That was like
He's
episode
fully
3.
that guy.
That's them.
He's that guy.
That's them.
Like, they get on Xbox, like, you fucking nigger. Like,
They had a like there's a video we showed on our show of that kid, and he was like, "I'm just here for the lows. I'm just
Yeah.
here for fun."
Yeah.
And he pulls off
Honestly,
the polo and the khakis.
I just like being offensive.
They're such isolated losers. Like this is the only way they can have friends.
The only attention they can get is negative.
Yeah, it's so sad. Where are their fathers?
Where are their fathers? It's so sad.
So sad that now every time you
grow
see a
up.
group of young white boys in khakis and polos, you have to cross the street.
Yeah.
Click the lock
You know,
door
lock your
button on your
doors.
car.
You never know what's gonna happen. They got torches. They can light things on fire.
You know?
They could run people over. They could shoot people. They're all rocking around with guns. It's crazy. You never know what's gonna happen.
You never know.
All it takes.
It's never.
All it takes. Like you said, where are their fathers?
Where are their fathers? We have to. Who is the Steve Harvey of
Yeah.
the white community?
Yeah.
Because we need. Listen.
Is it Larry the Cable Guy?
It
We have
might
to come out
be.
like, hey, you
Is it-
guys gotta chill.
I think it might be Guy Fieri.
He's like,
Guy Fieri.
guys, put the guns down. Let's go to Flavortown. Let's go. I'll take you guys to Flavortown. I know you guys are full of donkey sauce, man. Come on, let's do it.
He does a donkey sauce rally.
Square donkey sauce.
You will not replace us. You will not replace us with flavor. With flavor.
Nigga square they have fucking donkey sauce in their mouth like Henny Palooza.
You got the wild super soaker. The donkey sauce coming out OD slow. Like the girl's like, yo, you wanna hurry up?
Yo, damn.
The camera person's like, yeah, it's extra. It's horseradish.
yeah. Oh my
Are you
God.
a fan of horseradish?
I forgot what horseradish tastes like. I'm selling some. Like I'm in the cul-de-sac, but I'm still eating wild, like basic shit. Like
Oh.
I literally eat plátanos every day still. And I found a Dominican restaurant 2 blocks away from my crib. So I guess I'm not that much in the burbs. If there's a Dominican restaurant and it's doing numbers, but they do seamless. So I guess
No, I got my shout out to I don't want to make it hot. My Williamsburg bodega,
You know what I'm saying?
where every morning they rip me off with $10 pressed juices.
$10 press juice.
$10 pressed juices.
That's right, baby.
I got a bacon egg. Someone ordered a bacon, egg, and cheese with jalapenos.
Wow.
And I was like, wow.
Okay.
Y'all gentrifying everything, huh? That's not an option.
Jalapenos on bacon, egg, and cheese?
Is it more than what
you
the
too
fuck
popular
is-
shit, I think laugh at your face.
They feel like, what the fuck is wrong with you,
They'll
nigga?
fucking throw a plátano fucking peel on that shit.
They start laughing with the dude that work at the bodega, but don't really work at the bodega, but be restocking the sodas and shit.
He'll like
be like,
first.
hey, Moreno, plátanos.
Hey, my buddy.
You want jalapenos?
You want jalapeno, nigga? My bitch, that's funny. You want spell jalapeno? You know jalapeno? I was jalapeno Titi's guts, nigga.
Jalapeno, yeah, burn mouth. Like, when you pee? When you burn? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Fuck out of here.
Oh, shit. Guess who died?
Who died? Guess who died in the motherfucking house?
We gotta have music for this. A comedian.
Oh, Dick Gregory, that's right.
No, someone else.
Who?
Jerry Lewis just died.
Oh, Jerry Lewis. Jerry Lewis that did the telethons?
That's a pretty on
You know what I'm
Jerry
saying?
Lewis.
That's
So
a very
damn.
washed Jerry
They
Lewis.
would say death comes in threes, but it doesn't. It's
Who's
just
next?
niggas die every day.
Yeah, niggas every day. It's not regular.
You could just pick three random niggas. So Dick recipes. Dick Gregory.
Dick Gregory, the guy.
And Jerry Lewis died. He always had the telethon.
Yeah.
The annual muscular dystrophy telethon raised $1.5 billion by the late 2000s.
Damn.
Always interrupting Channel 9 when you were younger.
All day.
All day. You was like, what the fuck is this?
Like, I don't care about Tiffany Amber Thiessen on the phone. Like, I'm
what
on
is
call.
this? I want to see my stories.
Like,
damn.
have you ever called one of those? I was very skeptical. I was like, she's not gonna pick up the phone.
But my Jamaican ass parents are gonna call and give white people
Free money.
Fuck
out of
You
here.
lost your mind? That's a show right
You
there.
mad?
Have them watching it with their arms folded, like, She got a wheelchair already. What more she need? I'm like, nah, ma. Like,
It's charitable.
They need more than that.
It's charitable. It's charitable. My mom was like, nigga, charity's $50. Send your uncle every month so he can fucking drink rum. Shout out to everybody that has an island uncle that they send $50 for him to strictly drink rum and like gamble.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
But $50, that's a livable wage.
That's a livable wage.
Yeah. Robinson Cano only sent his
$600. It's funny because it looks terrible on paper, but $600 goes a long way in DR. My pops was like, "Yo, I owe $20 million or like $8 million on this construction I'm doing." I was like, "Damn, nigga, $8 million." I was like, "Damn." He's like, "Yo, you think you help me out with a little something?" I was like, "Damn." I was like, "Pop, I'm on TV," but I was like, "Yo, $8 million, está loco." He's like, "Yo, nah," and then I did the math. I was like, "Nigga, that's like 20 racks."
Oh shit!
I was like, what the fuck?
I'm mad that you're such a Dominican scumbag. You know exactly how much Robinson Cano's child support was. Did you talk about it at the We Ain't Shit Dominican niggas meeting? Held at Locksmith Bar. Locksmith Bar for all your needs.
You just say on the 1 and 2s.
Like, y'all just get up and talk about how y'all doing women dirty and then laugh about the shit over Presidentes.
Yeah.
They're like, yo,
Nigga fight break out over
I got
dominoes.
4 families. Everyone's like, hey,
It's like you're here for the cycle.
like you see competitions and shit. Like who could do the dirtiest shit?
Oh man.
I know fucking babies like order.
Who needs a hookah? My shit is cash.
Yo,
But you're not 600.
600.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, he's paying 600 on top of 600 that he was paying before.
So that's 1,200
Hey.
a month. 1,200 a month. Yo, niggas from DR come here. I feel like West Indies in general come here, work, city job shit, retire, then go back and live lavish.
His
You know what
quote
I'm saying?
is, "My family is more happy that I got what I want here, not just about any money."
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah, I can see why. Mother's kind of the dub. I did not say that.
She
It's a dub.
jab.
That's what people would not
She
realize.
should be glad she's getting 1,200.
She's like, she get anything. She got the Robinson Cano wood. That's more than enough. Donald Trump has made it all right to discriminate against dubs.
That's crazy.
You're right.
That's crazy. Yo, and he's like done it on air, and people
Think about it. Like that was one of the things that he was saying about Hillary.
Yep. She's a dab.
Low energy.
Look at her. She can't even walk to the whip. She got no yeeks.
She's not Fashion Nova. Is not
You
her
know what I'm
mentions.
saying? Look at that. Her implant is drifting.
She doesn't need a dog filter. She really looks like a rough.
Yo. Damn.
Oh wow.
Yo.
How are we recording this on a Sunday? There were people just walking past Red Bull Studios on their way back from like synagogue or
Yo,
church.
you know why?
And we over here blowing out the loud and like the baby stroller, like, yo, have some of that Packy, yow.
You know what I'm saying? This
Baby's
ain't a
like-
church pod. This is secular.
That's right. Pour this up.
You know what I
Turn this
mean?
up. This is your church right here.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
Pay homage.
Maybe they listen to this. You think they listen to this in heaven?
They
This
have
definitely
to.
get you kicked out.
I mean, it might. Or it could be
What do
just
they
as
live in
mild
heaven? Do
11.
they live in
Yeah.
like cloud projects? No one really thought about the whole heaven thing. Like, do niggas just lay down on the clouds at night and go to
Yeah,
sleep?
like, yo.
You sleep in a fucking 747, just cut through the shit,
You know
kill
what I mean?
4 people.
Is
That guy be
heaven-
like, sorry,
My
boop,
bad.
boop, boop,
Yo,
bring him back.
shit, my bad. Oops. Is it just like your version of what heaven is? Like, you know what I'm saying?
How
'Cause,
does that
like,
all connect? 'Cause we all
know
have
what I
different
mean?
ideas of what's your version of heaven.
Oh man, that's a great question. Just being up there with all the people that are not here anymore that I miss. You know what I'm saying? And chilling with
that's nice.
them and like drinking and smoking and doing whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And then like just doing that forever and like not having to work, but you just like automatically like. I went into the Netflix office one time and they had like a bodega in there, and I was just like, it's like when we went to the ESPN show, how they got the cafeteria,
Yeah.
except everything was free. And I was like, I could just go take 5 Gatorades out of here, like that's cool. And they were like, yeah, why not? Like that, like you just live your life and like you're just chilling, everything is cool, you're never paying for anything. All the people that are dead are alive now, and you're macking. I don't know. I've never really given it that much thought because I'm wild, fucking nihilistic, and I think that when you die, you're dead, and that's
You're
it.
dead. Earthworms go through your chest.
You know what I'm saying?
But my idea of heaven, it's like a house, and all my exes are there. But
They hate each other's guts.
it's from when that nice period when you had first met your ex,
the honeymoon stage.
the honeymoon stage,
Yeah.
and they can't see each other.
Everybody knows.
Like every time they open a door, like another one just happens to close the door. So I'm just running from room to room, just being happy.
How long do you think the honeymoon stage is? To me, it's like it can last up to a year. I think it can last up to a year. I think 8 months.
There are people who will go like 40 years and they're still in the honeymoon stage. That shit is
wild.
ridiculous.
That's so wild to me.
Like if you meet those people, beat them to death.
Yeah,
They
like
should
that-
not be allowed to be happy.
Yeah.
Happiness must be crushed.
Yeah, no, listen, that's
That's
and
my.
it's-
We're putting that on
that's-
the money when I take over Antigua. By the way.
Yeah, and you niggas can't do that. That's unrealistic. Nicholas Sparks is doing the community a great disservice. Like shit happens. Like
Is he
niggas
related to
beef.
Clinton Starks?
Huh? Oh yeah, get familiar. Shout out to Clinton Sparks, who I thought was black for mad years.
Yes, I was
for
like, yo.
mad years, and then I finally saw him. I was like,
Like, oh, wait.
I was like, Rob Dyrdek is Clinton Sparks.
Oh wow.
But
Damn,
yeah,
that was
nah.
really dark.
It was dark, but yo, listen, that's not how life is, fam. If you think that life is 24/7 happiness, you're gonna be very disappointed. There's gonna be very down periods, and you got to just fight through them, dog. Listen, it's true. You know what I'm saying?
Listen, the best quote I ever heard about life came from
Maccabee.
Gears of War.
Okay. Okay.
When your character gets shot and like you're trying to crawl to like get revived,
Yeah.
and they're like, fight through the pain.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's it. That's it.
Also, if you were happy all the time, you wouldn't have the dark times to contrast the happiness against. You need the downtime.
That's what it is. That's why kids that are rich and are born rich and shit like that. That's why I always want to like. That's why I'm kind of scared to get rich too fast because I don't want my kids to grow up rich. Like I
Yeah.
want them to have what they need.
You
and
want them
whatever.
to have a normal life.
But like, yo, you niggas are going to school with regular kids. You're not in a helicopter. You're not fucking wearing Cartier rings in your dreads. You
Yeah.
know what I'm saying? Like, no shots at Jaden Smith. I love you. Like regular shit. You know what I mean? Like go to the mall and eat at Chick-fil-A, my nigga. Like we're not going to Philippe for you to have like, you know, chicken nuggets. You know what I mean?
I respect that. That's why I don't fuck with my secret family in Mississauga.
You
at
gotta
all.
keep them humble.
Yeah.
That's what Robinson Cano was shutting the shorty 600.
You know what I'm
like,
saying?
yo,
Like,
like,
they-
yo, eat plátanos, my nigga.
You want to see me? You see me on cable. Like, why I gotta be at your graduation? Like,
Yo.
you know what it is. You know what this is.
Come on, son.
We got FaceTime. I don't FaceTime with you, but you know what I mean?
You know what you do? Instead of giving your kids money, give your kids time. You know what I'm saying? Give your kids time, spend time with them, hang out with them, do that. You know what I'm saying? That's way more valuable than giving them money because then you give them money, you spoil them, and that's corny. And then they just know you for giving them money.
Listen to this fucking Steve Harvey
know what I'm
ass
saying?
Dominican not trying to spend money on people.
No, spend money on your
time
kids.
and not money.
I spent listen, full disclosure, I went and I spent like $200 on one kid at the Lego store just because for no reason. You know what I'm saying? And that's wild. Like my parents would have never done that. They would have been like, nigga, you gotta get straight A's for 10 years in a row for us to do some shit like that. Like, you know what I mean? But I just did it just to do it. But I'm like, yo, this is a one-time thing. Like, don't get used to this type of shit.
One time.
One time, you know?
We had a thing called once a year toy money.
Yeah.
Once a year,
Yeah.
my father would give us
A little bit.
a little bit of money,
You know what I mean?
buy a toy.
But good.
That was your one toy of the year.
Yep. Rock. That's what my parents did the same shit.
That's just mad. That's just mad buns.
Yo, it was mad buns, but it's like now I'm like it feels crazy because I'll be at the toy store feeling like I'm a kid because like my kids, I see my kids see shit and like get mad hype for it, and it takes me back to being like you said like the one toy shit and me being like, damn, I gotta stay in here and like what am I gonna get the G.I. Joe nigga? Damn, I want this Ninja Turtle. And I'm like, yo, to this nigga, I'm like, yo, you know what I'm saying? You can have both. You ain't gotta choose. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm saying?
I mean, when I be at the toy store, I'd be like that.
You know what I mean?
To be in the toy store alone.
Look at that sick kids. Oh, no.
Wow. I'm glad you said that, not me.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
That's gross.
Today on Who Wants to Ruin Their Career?
Yeah. What's your toy store?
What's my toy store?
Yeah.
Any sneaker store, like
Any
Kith
sneaker
or
store?
some shit. Shout out to
Kith?
Kith, gang.
Kith?
Yeah. I go in there, I just look around. I'll be like, oh, I got all these already. All right.
All right, I'm out here. I remember going into Atrium and being like, yo, I got to steal all this. And I go to Atrium and I'm like, yo.
It's like, yeah, I can buy this, whatever.
Yeah.
Nah, like going into a sneaker store now and be like, oh, I literally have all of these. It's just like,
Hey.
It's an accomplishment.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm not gonna lie, it's not as much fun as it used to be in the beginning.
Okay.
Like copping sneakers now, it's just kind of like, all right, you know,
It's habitual.
like having like
Maybe
when
you
I
need
had
to take
like
a tea break.
a what?
A little tea break. A tolerance break. You know what I'm saying? Like when you smoke too much bud and it doesn't get you as high as it used to, you take like a month off. Take a month off from copping sneakers, miss some exclusives, feel that pain, and then come back to the game refreshed. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but I don't do that tea break shit. That shit sounds weird because I don't. My weed tolerance is weird, different than other people. Like I don't have to like go clean from. That's just what tea break.
I don't do that. People have told me to do
You
that.
said tea break. I was like, what? Like just take a break for gossip?
Yeah, all
right.
Let's talk. Let's talk spicy.
Yeah, let's talk spicy.
Yeah.
Let's make up some rumors about people's private lives. Yeah.
Yeah, but not like tolerance break. I never did that shit in my life because I'm like, yo, I can't do that.
Yeah, I look at people's relationships with weed online, and I'm just like, how is that your? We have much like for me, weed is like, yo, get me through the day.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
It's not like, yo,
this is
here's
so
a
fun.
treat.
Yeah, this is a cool treat.
I hit like one joint of like I see people that like, yo, I hit like a joint. I hit a J every 3 months. So I'm just like. Nigga, I hit like 3 in the last hour.
I'm like, what are you talking about? Like,
right.
That sounds like a nightmare to me.
Because they're like, weed is fun. And I'm like, hey, let me introduce you to my girlfriend. Her name's Anxiety.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey,
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing? Hey, this is her.
She's like, hi, how you doing? We're getting married.
Hey.
Hey, Desus, where you going?
Hey.
Desus.
Are you worried about something?
What's going on?
Here's 10 things to worry about.
I start the day and she was like, you cheated on me in a dream. I'm like, oh, here, fuck.
Oh, God.
I'm like, I didn't even cheat. You didn't say hello to me this morning. I'm like, oh, God, Anxiety. Come on, why come on, Ma, why you making it spicy?
No, stop. Yo, it's wild. Yeah, but it's funny because people be like, yo, I got so still the other day, bro. Like, to me, getting smacked is like decompressing.
Yeah.
It's self-care. You
Self-care,
know what I'm saying?
yeah.
You know what I'm saying? It's not like, yo, like, oh, let's get stoned, dude, and go fucking, like, to the mall.
Also, I understand people get, like, mad smacked and, like, can't operate. Like,
yeah.
How do you get to that level?
I'm like, how do you fucking, how high? I'm like, I want to get
how
that
high can Wu-Tang get?
We been trying to do that shit. Remember in that fucking weed social club? We was doing them dabs?
We was doing them dabs, and we got to the point where my body was like, what do you, like, fam, just
like,
stop.
That's it. You hit the ceiling. Like, this is as high as it's going to get. Don't
it's
even
like when you try to, like, you really, like, yo, I'm going to give this girl all this good wood. And maybe you give her, like, 2, and then the third one, your body's like, yo, fam, we making ramen over here without the packet. You know what I'm saying? Like, the noodles. You got the noodles.
You
like,
left it in the microwave too long.
Shit's just dangling. Shit's a little sore, actually.
Noodles.
It's like, it hurts. It's like your dick hurts. It is just from being a wreck right now. Like, just stop.
Yo, your body's
It's that Jordan thing. He's like, stop.
Your body's telling you no. Yo.
You're like, yeah. Your body's like, no, stop.
Dog, stop.
Pussy and cocky are not the perfect team. Not
dog.
today.
They need to be in different leagues right now.
No. Like right now, listen.
Yeah.
You in the NL, and niggas need a DH. You know what I'm saying?
Stop.
Shout out to my Yankees beating Boston yesterday. That's right.
Get out of here.
Let me ask you something. How many rings?
Oh, let me see here. Let me look it up. Oh, no, I don't need to look it up because I know off the top of my head. 7 rings, you fucking pieces of shit. Count them. 27. 1, 2, 3. If you don't speak English, 1, 2, 3. All right? 4, 5, 7, etc. 27.
27. That's right.
But the most
27
of any franchise in sports.
All right.
Period.
Just remember it. Just like it's the same number of states that haven't been compromised by brown people. 27.
Oh, Titletown.
Titletown. If y'all Titletown, we're fucking we're Pangea.
That's right.
We're championship Pangea over here.
Title fucking Galaxy over here.
All right.
Sounding like a phone and shit. The new Title Galaxy.
Oh man. Yeah, 27 rings.
27 rings. We out here.
Aaron fucking Judge.
Oh, but a lot of them were before immigration. Blah, 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 blah,
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Suck our dicks from the back.
We survived growing up in the Bronx just to be asshole Yankee fans.
That's right.
That's the only
At
thing.
least let us have that.
That's the only unity I have. When I go to Yankee Stadium, I see white people, I see cops, I see firefighters, I see babies, I see Jewish people. And I know we are all united by one common thread. We are assholes, and no one likes us.
That's
and
right.
when you find we're in there, it's 90 degrees. My man had on a leather jacket that had on the 27 rings on the back. My nigga's gonna die from heat stroke. And I let out a tear like he was a World War II veteran. I was like, I salute you.
Salute you,
I salute you, Joel Steinberg.
That's right.
#1 anthropologist in Scarsdale.
You know that's the ill shit about Yankee games, bro. Especially like Yankee. Now with the rivalries getting hotter again, and then against the Mets too. Like we bodied the Mets, the little brother. We had to sun them real quick, let them know what time it is. What you're saying is dead true. It's like, bro, you're in there and you're high-fiving somebody that has definitely said the N-word in like the past 24 hours on the road.
Aaron Judge hits a home run and you're hugging a Trump supporter.
You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga got the mega hat on and you're like,
bro.
Yankees, let's go, Yankees.
Build that wall. He's like, whoa. Different rally.
No, that's not the end.
He's like, oh, sorry. Blood ass off. Like, fine, fuck it. Shit goes. Blood ass off.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Just try to talk baseball with them. They're like, yeah, you know.
Yeah.
I feel like, do you think the Yankees have a good chance this year? They're like,
I mean, you know, I like the mentorship of CC Sabathia. I love him. He's a good clubhouse guy. You know, he's a smart guy. He knows a lot.
Yeah. You know, I was thinking they definitely have a shot, but these Jew umps, like,
yeah, I mean, you know, that's what they do. You know, I mean, we tried to have the final solution.
Yeah. And these niggas start trying to quiet see if you agree with this shit.
You're like, yo,
hold on.
Wait,
the final solution. You meant that?
I meant Brian Cashman.
You talking about the Holocaust?
No, the trade with Brian Cashman, the Jew.
You sure?
I'm like, why do you keep putting the Jew after everything? Like,
I mean, I knew he was a Jew. His name is Cashman.
Cashman. That's what they do.
That's what they do. They handle
He's a Cashman.
Run the media.
He's a globalist.
Yeah. Oh, shit. You know what I'm saying? I thought about Judaisms. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, my Jew gang out here on Sunday worshiping the wrong God.
You know what I mean?
That's what Donald Trump would say.
Yo, they definitely would.
He'd be like, oh, you people.
You fucked up.
Everyone, all my Catholics out there, everyone else, you're wasting your time.
Yeah, you're wasting time.
You're praying to God, you're hearing boo, boo, boo. It's a music signal, and I don't mean the #1 rap dancehall artist.
No. Let me tell you something. You fucked up because you go to church on Saturday, and Saturday is fucking lit. You idiots. You're supposed to go to church on Sunday.
Did you not see the KFC Barstool t-shirt? Saturdays for the boys.
Come on.
What is wrong with you?
Keep it funky.
Seventh-day Adventists, more than seventh-day losers.
Yeah, they call me a goyim because I am going to have some fun. Thank you, Mike. Humpy Biggie is up next.
Oh, shit. Jehovah's Witnesses, door slamming in your face. What's wrong with you? It's 9 a.m.
Yo, shout out to all the Jehovah's Witnesses. They never used to come to my old crib, but they be coming to the new crib heavy.
The cul-de-sac?
Yeah.
I mean, that's a nice little that's an easy house right there, though.
Yeah. And
you know what? You see it too. Like they pull up and you see them on the corner. You're like, fuck, they're setting up.
Yeah,
it's like you know in the beginning of Call of Duty where they get spawned in.
Niggas running up like, oh, I know they're coming. What are they armed with? Do they have Awake or the Watchtower?
Niggas arming the bomb.
Niggas open the briefcase, take out mad Watchtowers. Like, yo. Watchtower enabled.
Oh, fuck.
Yeah.
Shout out my J-Dubs.
Shout to J-Dub gang, you know what I'm saying? And I fucked up by speaking Spanish to some of them because they see my face. They were like, "Habla español."
See, now you know what? The bad part is now you're going to get the English congregation and the Spanish congregation.
I'm doubling up. That's why they're coming through heavy.
You know what you got to do next time that you see them respawning? Send your kids out, but have them with like the little Jew strings and shit.
Oh, yeah, with the yarmulkes on and all that.
And then when they come, just have your wife speak the wild Hasidic.
Have it pull up with the wig and the stockings and shit. Yeah, and the flats. Nice.
There you go.
Yeah, I'm going to text her right now. Like, yo, cop wig.
Or you could just be like, no, I'm not interested.
Go to Mo Tresses.
Gotta go to Mo's. Mo Tresses. Shout out to them for all your wig needs. They got good wigs. Bat wigs.
Bad wigs.
Tight wigs. I am gonna be the Maccabee of wigs.
Oh, wigs.
Every week I'm releasing a video, a new release. I'll be like, this is a Charlene.
Good
Come
wigs
with
and
baby
bad
hair.
wigs.
Look at the infinity part. Big for a big head.
Lace fronts be preferred.
Good for a big girl. Big for a small girl.
Yeah.
The Weave Report.
Oh shit.
I could do that and no.
You probably crush on YouTube with the Weave Report.
The Weave Report? Like, I'm not wearing them. I'm just
Showing them like,
Showing them off.
this shit is lit. Like, yo, look
That's
at
a good
this.
way.
You know what I'm saying?
This is good for if you want to
Bundle reviews.
You want to go to like Act 3 or like Mingles with this.
You know what I mean? Like,
You know what I'm
yo,
saying?
like, yo, you got like, yo, how do these hold up in Mingles? Like, if you know what I'm saying, catching the wild dub in there.
I asked like one of my homegirls to like put it on and then do like a front flip.
Yeah.
To see like if you could really get the dagger in it with it.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, fuck around, put a wig on shorty, send her the pieces, we'll see if it makes it.
This is a good wig for church, for nurses,
You know what I'm saying?
for nannies on the Upper East Side.
Sensible wig.
Sensible wig.
Not too long.
It's a bob. Non-threatening.
Yo.
Shout out to all my nannies on taking care of other people's kids in order to raise money to take care of their own kid.
That's wild. That's wild. Shanta, I seen a nanny at the park. I took my kids to the park and I seen a nanny in the park and she was really going in because she had on a Jersey Boys hat. Like, yo, Jersey. Like, don't
Wow.
fuck. You know what I mean? Like, yo.
Was she white?
Nah, she was like, she had to be some type of West Indian. Like, I heard it in her voice and shit. You know what I mean? But like, I was just watching her and shit, and like the kids was running around wilding, but like she had the like West Indian mom shit down pat. Like she would just look at them,
And, like,
them
they'd
little
stop.
white niggas would freeze and they motherfucking tracks, boy. Like, and I bet you should take them home and they'd be like, "Fuck you, mom."
That's how I remember when I worked at the shout out to the Spite and Dival New York Public Library branch over in Riverdale with those little badass kids. When the kids would come in with the West Indian nannies Monday through Friday, kids were well behaved. Take out a book, put the book back on the shelf. Yes sir, no sir, blah blah blah. All right? When Sarah and Matthew were there on fucking Saturday with little Hyacinth or whatever, she's like, fuck you, Ma.
Fuck you, mom.
Here's all the picture books on the floor, you fucking bitch. I'm just like, oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Yo.
You're not going to talk to Miss Paula Ann to like that on Monday.
Listen.
And I'm just looking there like, because I tell them on Monday, I'm like, you know, little Penelope was acting up. They're like,
No.
yes. Just give her a look and the kids start crying like, well, you're in trouble.
Oh, sorry, snitcher.
That's it. That's how it is, man.
Yo, shut the ball in. Yo, hold it down.
If you never had your parents give you that look, just the fear of God with that one look.
Man. Your heart just sinks like, oh
Yeah.
man, oh no.
My father just recently found out like that doesn't work with me anymore. And, like the whole relationship is just like just gone now.
Yo.
I'm like, nigga, what you looking at?
My relationship with my pops changed drastically because that nigga opened up a check and he was like, yo. He was like, oh, okay. I was like, oh, okay. Now he's like, yo. Now he be hit me up like, yo, son, I'm doing this shit, right? Bang, bang. Like he's like the wild scammer. Like every time I sit down and talk to the nigga, he's like, yo, so check it, boom. I'm working on this shit, right? Boom. But like, nigga need like another couple racks, you feel me? And then I can really.
What is he working on?
So they got a hotel, right? And shout out to Mouse City, you know what I'm saying? My
Ooh,
place
is your
of
father
origin.
going to be on Island Hunters on
You know what I'm saying?
HGTV?
Yo, it'll be lit.
Yo!
You know what I'm saying?
All right, now I'm interested in
He's
this.
like,
Now I'm interested in the
I'm
storyline.
looking for something, 5-bedroom for $100 a month.
Island Hunters is wild because they take you to like a real, like a straight up island, and they be like, "Yo, you want this shit? You could build a hotel over there. There's like you could build sand, you could build a beach over here, and you can't be on no broke boy shit because they're like, this is $2 million,
Or like off rip.
and people don't even flinch. They'll be like, fine,
Okay.
They're like, what else you got?
I'm working with 5.
Then they got like this. What's the other thing on HGTV? They got like for broke
House
boys.
Hunter and
they
the
got like
beachfront property joint?
beachfront, and then they got like reasonable. The reasonable price shit is still mad heartbreaking shit because it'd be like 2 school teachers and shit. They'd be like, yo,
Our budget is $150,000. I'm like,
It's like,
oh man,
damn.
you
They're
niggas
like, it has to be moving ready, and there's always some weird, like, oh, my wife has low blood pressure, so she can't go up steps, and it's like, oh fuck, like,
God. Now we got to put ramps all in the crib. They're like, we found this house. It was built in 1902, but it has ramps. But it also is infested with rats.
the first house they show is always like, wow, fucked up. It's like, oh, this house is in the budget. However, it was made out of asbestos and dead slaves. So you're like, whoa,
Hold on, what?
They're like,
They
well,
got the little shit that's like pros and cons. It's like
You're like,
pros, indoor plumbing, cons, made of dead slaves.
they're like, so how much would the renovation be?
Then the contractor comes through. He's like, "You got this thing over here. We got to rip this whole side of the house out."
Whoa, Marone. These are load-bearing dead slaves. I
Hey.
can't rip this out.
No. And also, what you didn't see here is that you're on an Indian burial ground over here.
Whoa, that's gonna cost you.
Yeah, that's gonna cost you a lot of money.
Make a hidey hole. You can't just put cement on that.
Hey, you can't do that because then your house is gonna
Holy
be
shit.
accursed. You know?
Oh wow.
That's gonna run you about. Let me see. Niggas like, and then they just have a little tally. It's like
Tally and shit.
It's about 2.3 million.
Oh, why'd you buy this house?
They're like, we're way over budget. We don't know what to do.
I forgot my husband had done renovations on his own before, so we thought we'd give it a shot on our own. As soon as you start doing renovations on your own, this I see from Medicine Side, it was like, you know you done fucked up. Because at first you mad gung ho, you take that sledgehammer, you put it through the wall, and now you're like,
okay.
I have a big gaping fucking hole in my wall. What am I doing?
Then you realize that you actually did not grow up the way that your parents did, and you can't make a fucking wall out of 3 sticks and some dirt.
No.
And you're like, holy shit, now I gotta call Home Depot and beg people for help.
First thing you do, you go to Home Depot and you Google and you're like, oh, I could do this.
I could do this.
It's not
YouTube video.
whatever.
Boom, tutorial. I'm good. This is light
easy
work.
peasy.
Bang.
Call me Tim Allen, not because I'm snitching on niggas, but so you do your little YouTube.
That's
You're
right.
like, we got this, gang. Go to
All
Home
day.
Depot. You get the shit. You
Yup.
come back. You setting it up, and then when you doing it, like you doing step 1, bang.
Yeah,
Step
I mean?
2, bang. Step 3, you killing it. You like your girl looking at you like, yeah, look at it. We doing this.
Yeah.
She helping you out. Step 5, bang. Step 7, bang. Whoa.
What the fuck is
this is step 6.
What the fuck is
I gotta find a stud.
What's a plumb bob?
What is? Hold up.
What the fuck is a plumb bob?
And now the paint is all dry and shit, and like you're like, what? What am I doing?
Stud finder.
I put salic acid on the wall. What am I gotta wash this shit off.
Shit. Why is it?
You got Google if Home Depot's still open and shit. You driving mad. Nigga don't even drive park properly. Niggas just skirt across the disabled parking and shit. Just running there.
I put these 2 things together and they started to fume, and now my house is full of fumes.
I'll eat. She's like, nah, like.
You come back and shorty's passed out like, man, foam in the mouth like, yo.
No. Why not try renovation on my own? Listen, you gotta know. You gotta know what you're capable of, man. Know your skill set. It's cool because look, I got you know what I'm saying. Still out here in the 05 Accord, and I had I was driving that shit for the longest because you were in it when I had to put the key and the shit on the side of the gear shift. Oh yeah,
in order to make it go into gear.
Movies chops.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
No brake lights, no horn. Can't put the car into gear unless I stick the key in that shit. And then I'm like, yo, I'm gonna YouTube this shit. It's light work. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh, boom, it's the fuse. I replace the fuse. The shit goes. I'm like, all right, let me YouTube it again. Oh, it's the brake light switch. Boom, I go spend money on the brake light switch. Replace it. Boom, this shit is good money for a month.
Yep.
Blows out again. I'm like, okay, I'll just replace the brake light switch again. Went through like 4 brake light switches. Finally went to the dealer. The nigga's like, yo, it's $500, nigga. It's your horn. Your horn is making this shit short out every time. I could have saved probably $250 in brake light switches and parts and stupid shit if I would have just went to an actual mechanic and been like, yo, what's wrong with my car, instead of trying to be Mr. Fancy Pants and do the shit yourself.
I messed up my car and I'm waiting for I had the car in front of the house and I was like, yo, would I get a chance from, we're busy making the most illustrious show in late night. I'm going to get the car towed to a mechanic. I'm going to keep it funky right now. A white mechanic. And I could get an invoice, a warranty. Yep. Maybe I could pay using a debit card.
Wow.
What
a shock.
You can't do these things in the Bronx.
No, papi, no. Credito.
My mother comes and she goes, oh, there's something wrong with your car? I was like, yeah, I'm going to get it fixed, whatever.
I thought it was this is and I'm sure it's the same shit for you. This is how fucked up my upbringing is. I thought the normal way to fix a car was to go to Hunts Point, find the car part that was fucked up in your car, take that junk card piece of equipment to a place on like Jerome, and give it to Julio, and let Julio weld it into the shit, and then you get money. Like, and then paperwork, warranty, what the fuck is that? Nah.
No, we did what's called the Jamaican mechanic, which is you pop the hood on your car.
Yeah.
And you just wait.
Let's see what's
you just wait because it's just the same way when you have a light and moths come to it. Older West Indian men gravitate towards an open hood, like you try to hose.
Yeah, it's radiator.
Oh yeah.
Nah, y'all feel
go inside. Start it.
Yeah.
Whoa! Stop!
Hey, no.
Pump the brake. Stop.
Man, now tell you turn it on.
You went too far. Move back.
No. Yeah, you have to put the e-brake. Put the e-brake.
Move. Gas. More.
Yeah, mad. Bro, do you have a license?
Yeah.
Do you drive a car, eh?
Whoa, what that
My
there?
God.
What is that? Change the station. So basically, my mother told my father that the car was not working properly, so he called the neighborhood mechanic, aka Mr. I show up when I show up.
Yeah. Work around my schedule.
I don't even know what this nigga's schedule is. And Jamaican mechanics are also good because he needs the money up front for parts. Nigga took the money for parts, haven't seen him in 3 weeks.
Yeah.
All right?
Yeah.
Last time I ran into him, I physically bumped into him coming out the Jamaican restaurant, and he was like, "Oh, I was just about to call you." I was like, "No, you weren't."
No, you weren't.
Why you make this room a room full of lies?
You got Matt Jamaican nigga push him back into the lab. He's like, "Yo, nigga, let me tell you something."
Oh man,
Yo, let me get some milk on the side, man. About to let this nigga have it.
never gonna get my car back.
I mean, I hope you do.
I low key, I feel like I should just be like
Lease
give it to 1-800 Cars for Kids to buy a new car.
Yeah. That jingle is catchy.
I'm gonna buy what's the most stupid, ridiculous car I could buy that like will get me killed?
You could get an Aventador, because that's like it's a super ridiculous car, but it's also a super ridiculous car that niggas in the hood can say and pronounce.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because it sounds kind of Spanish.
Yeah.
So Julio and the Bob would be like, "Papi, ya te viene el Aventador, papi, Lamborghini." Yeah.
Nah, I'm gonna get the wild '98 Honda CRX. I'm gonna drop it low. Put nitro in it.
Put the neon lights around the bottom.
Neon lights are on the bottom. Can you say suicide door kit?
Oh,
yeah,
shit,
nigga. Yeah.
With the hydraulics and he puts them on the shit. It's like, psst.
That's right. I'm gonna have the Calvin pissing on the Toyota logo. Like, yeah.
I see you as a Riga.
Yeah. I see you in my rear view. Like mad obnoxious stickers on the back. Maybe add an extra spoiler on top of the spoiler.
The fuck Boston with the Boston logo.
27 rings, bro. That's my license plate.
Yeah.
27 rings, bro. I'm just catching me on the West Side Highway like.
Yeah, there was the dude, I swear to God, I used to come to the gas
Going
station
mad
all the
fast,
time.
and then you see me like slow down mad slow because it's like a wild speed bump. Like,
chill. Boom, boom.
And you see this, like you see the gear switching and shit. Like you just sitting mad low and shit with the wild 5% tints. Like,
oh no, not 5%, 100% tints. Like literally no light is coming through this shit. The cops are like, "Yo, are you for real?" I'm like,
Man,
"Oh,
nigga, construction
I'm like,
paper?
Shit, it's daytime." I got blackface tits.
nigga just calling shit in with a Sharpie. Nigga like, "Yo, fuck that."
The same shit your barber uses and shit. Like, I'm just stealing from barbershops. Like, I got
nigga spraying Topic on the windows.
It looks just like real hair.
I like no one knows the difference. Start raiding my windows melted. I'll leave it like the wild oil slick, like spy hunter cars behind me and spinning out.
Shorty gets to your car, she's like, "Oh my God, look at tits." Then she touches it and shit comes off. She's like, "Yo, what the fuck?"
This is fake. These are only fake.
Yo, chill.
Oh.
Yo. There was a guy that used to come into the gas station by my crib and literally just to be a dick would do the hydraulic shit. Like, nigga, you ain't have to fucking drop your car. Like, there's a rent, my G. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you're just being extra right now. And the nigga had like skulls painted on the side. You already know. Like that weird paint that changes colors in the light and shit. Like, niggas be doing a lot with their Hondas.
Yo, when I worked, because you know I've had every job in the whole entire fucking world.
You know what I'm saying?
When I worked at a mechanic shop, because you know I'm a lazy lima bean. I was get to work at I was like 15. And I'm working at 6 a.m.
Come on.
Anyway,
that's not sanctioned.
one day I was just like, "Nah, fuck this. It's a slow day. I'm gonna take a quick nap inside this car."
Yeah.
I didn't realize the car was on the hydraulic
On
shit.
the jack?
I think just put the shit in the air, and I'm in the back seat. I'm like, "Yo!" Then I'm like, "Yo, if I yell out that I'm in here, I'm gonna get in trouble."
Because you're sleeping.
Nah, I'm not, because I couldn't get fired. It was my father's friend's store, but then I would get in like more trouble.
Damn.
So I just had to like lay low in there.
Jesus Franks.
And the nigga was being very aggressive with the car from underneath. I was like, "Oh Lord, please don't let this thing fall off the jack."
Like, yo. She was a scene from Inglourious Bastards and shit.
And then when I came down, like they saw me. Like I don't know what my end game was. I should have just been like, "Yo, I'm up here."
Like, yo, like we said in the last episode, that part of your brain is like not really logical at that age. You're like,
What's
yo,
also weird, they
if I just
had
chill,
me.
I'll be okay.
I was in charge of maintaining those ramps, those pumps. Like you have to put fluid and shit.
Yeah.
I'm like, fam,
I'm not
like.
that's not bad.
I'm 15. All I'm thinking about is titties.
Yeah,
Like you should not have
literally.
me. Like yo, fam. They had porno magazines that. I was like, yo, fam. Like they're covered in oil, and I'm still looking at them. I'm like, yeah, oh.
Shout out to all
fucking West Indian mechanics, Jamaicans, Dominicans, Haitians, whoever, they all got Pinot in some place in their
Inappropriate
fucking place.
place.
Yeah.
Just
They'll
you
have
just
the
minding your
wild
business,
calendar,
and you
like-
just like you'll just go in your uncle's basement, and it's like a bar with a red light,
Straight
and there's
up.
like straight up girls with hairy choach on the wall,
Right
and
there.
your auntie lets it cook.
Yeah,
She's like, well, it's like he's home. No, like no,
no.
my
Nigga,
nephew got to see
There
this.
be kids here, nigga. They don't even know what a vulva is yet.
How you gonna have porn on the wall and come here with KFC, nigga?
Fuck.
So disrespectful.
Just rip the calendar, smack the bucket. Like, yo.
My grandfather, rest in peace, in England. Shout out to Birmingham gang, boring gang.
Squad.
He I think it's page 4 in one of the magazines.
Trevor
It's
Ball.
always like a naked lady.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
So what he would do, he would always like pin them up
Right,
all
right.
over the house. Like that was art to him.
Yeah.
So like when we first got to his house, like first of all, it was he had like that old man smell. You know,
Yeah.
I can't wait to funk up somebody's house with that old man smell. It's
man.
like, oh, you smell like old man. I'm like, yeah,
nigga.
I smell that icy
old man.
hot,
Yeah.
icy hot. It smells like balls.
Taste that.
Yeah. But yeah, she went around ripping them all down, and I took one, the black one.
Yeah.
The right,
All
so
right,
don't
relax.
get it twisted.
Relax
yourself, Ma. Fix your face. I see you about to type some hot
Yeah.
shit on Lipstick
Yeah.
Alley.
Oh, I bet you she was white.
She was black. She had great nipples.
That's
I
right.
think it was like Naomi Campbell or something.
Ooh, lit.
Chocolate drops. I actually, let me not say that. I'm probably related to Naomi Campbell.
Okay.
I don't want to do the like nobody in the
cousin shit?
family wants to confirm it, but
Yo, somebody's in. Now that you're saying that, somebody in the Trump administration is married to their cousin. Am I here? Is that some? I read that somewhere.
would that be
It's highly
shocking?
possible.
Would that
Yeah.
be shocking?
Yeah,
Like
wait,
Sarah
probably.
Huckabee.
Yeah, I think it is. One of the Huckabees.
Probably.
That's crazy.
They look inbred though.
Yeah,
you can
bro.
see that.
Yeah.
There's something wrong. Their genes ain't.
Yeah.
They listen. I'm not gene shaming. We
Hey.
love everybody.
Yo,
Shout out to all, like
Shout out to all
Down
genes.
syndrome hive and all that shit.
You know what I'm
but
saying?
nah, them niggas is fucking the cousins at family reunions and shit in the forest.
wild.
Yeah.
that's gross.
Huckabee.
How you gonna fuck your cousin? Like, the way I grew up with my cousins, I'm like, I can't fuck you. You're like my sister, nigga. Like,
You know what? I have some hot cousins. I'm not gonna.
yeah, no, I definitely got cousins that are slamming. That are like,
Yeah.
I can see why you would want to fuck this person, but I'm
Yeah.
like, yo, you threw sand in my eye when we were 5.
But then you gotta think about it. It's like if you were really like a immigrant child, the savings.
Yeah.
You know what
Yeah.
I'm saying?
Yeah,
you only
yeah.
gotta travel to one family reunion.
Yeah.
The wedding's gonna
You
be
don't gotta
small.
take her out.
Shit like
You know
that.
what I'm saying?
You all gotta waste time introducing other people.
Yeah, that's true. Everybody
Just
knows
bring
who
her
she
around the
is already.
house. She's like, oh, Uncle Theo. Like,
Yeah.
she,
Oh,
she's-
shit, what up? Yeah,
save a lot of time.
Yeah.
She know all the family recipes and
Yeah.
shit. She know all the little in jokes.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We're not saying you should fuck your cousin, but
Maybe you should marry your cousin?
you know what I'm saying? Maybe expand your dating pool.
But not the gene pool.
Niggas on Match.com, or you could just go to your aunt's house on Saturday night. Like,
Yo. Oh my God.
don't date your cousin.
Don't did you cousin.
Don't show up at one of our shows like, yo, we took your advice.
Yeah, I married my cousin.
I married my cousin.
Thanks
What's
to
wrong with you?
Niggas
What's
picking
wrong with
up and
you?
shit like on fucking like MSNBC. Like, these two weirdos married each other. What convinced you to marry each other? Well, the Bodega Boys were talking one day
The
and it made
Bodega
perfect
Boys.
sense.
Bodega Boys, a very popular incest podcast. I'm like, no,
No, that's not what it's about.
No.
It's about culture at large, not incest at all.
It's pop culture and incest. Like, everyone just, that becomes our new thing. Like, yo.
Incest podcast that occasionally covers pop culture items.
Like, yo, number one show in late night in incest. Like, no, where did that second part come from?
Yo, that's the shit that Trump is going to attach to us.
Yeah.
And the incest Bodega Boys. Sad, failing podcast.
Talking about incest.
Terrible. All they do is talk about smashing each other. I mean, it makes sense because Ivanka's kind of hot, but hey, not in this country.
Yeah, I really got my shoes off. That's how comfortable we are
we
at
made it.
Red Bull. Shout out to
We made
Red
it.
Bull Studio. Red Bull on
I
a
see you got
Sunday.
the
It's a-
text. No, the little tech fleet. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Pizza?
Shout out to Nike.
Shout out to
Nike looked out. You know what I'm
Blessing
saying?
niggas, you know what I'm saying?
How cool. Shout out to Red Bull. Oh, we doing this on a Sunday.
Yeah. Oh shit! They got
The very flexible schedule.
Hold up, they got. I didn't even peep this. They got the orange on decky.
Yo, that video with the black lady, she talking to the mic and eating pickles and she making all the noises and shit.
Yeah.
You gonna do that right now with the Red Bull? or-
Yo. Oh, you hear that? Yeah. Listen to this. Oh man. Oh man. Shots in the heart if you're doing Red Bull is fucking lit as fuck.
We can't clear that.
Not at all. Yeah, we don't gotta clear shit.
Yeah,
We be out here doing straight musicals. Nigga, like,
Yo, when they find out this shit, they gonna be like, The RIA is gonna do that gift for the white guy where he's like, like shaking his head, like, oh, really?
No, they're gonna do the fucking you folding back in the chair like, word?
They're gonna send us a bill. They'll be like, you owe $46 trillion in musical usages.
Bon Jovi's gonna come through himself.
I'll be like, will you guys accept Red Bull?
We got the orange shit.
We got the orange ones on deck. We got them on decky. Hideki Matsui.
You know what I'm saying?
Hideki Mats. That sounds like a racist name, but that's one of the greatest Yankees of all time.
Yeah. I actually was watching, I think we were watching together. It might have been at the office. The 09 when they won the celebration, it was Matsui, A-Rod, mad people. Or maybe it's just some shit that flew across the TL. And I was like, damn, what a squad.
What a squad. Can't wait for this year. We'll be on that float with fucking CC.
Yeah, bro.
Niggas dabbing.
You know what I'm saying? Like
doing the dance and dabbing for real.
You know what I'm saying?
It's gonna be great.
Bitch, look at my dad.
They'll be like, yo, CC Sabathia on the float with is that the Bodega? Is that Bernie? Oh, that's Mero.
Oh shit, Mero knows how to play jazz guitar apparently. He's playing Smack City.
They're like, yo, why is Didi Gregorius on Oh, that's actually Desus.
Yo, shout to Didi. You know what I'm saying?
Didi.
You know what I'm saying? Who's doing that thing right now? I'm like
us.
Yeah.
BIC, shout to them.
Shout to
Cardi B.
Gang, Cardi B, doing thing. You know what I'm saying?
She just did the Bodak Yellow. She just bought the Bugatti.
Yeah. Bought the Bugatti off the, was it Bentley or Bugatti?
Bentley?
Either way.
Either way.
Big B's.
Big B's
you
only.
Know what I'm saying? Shout out to her. Yeah, she's doing it big. Who else?
Jay-Z, he just did the interview. He said he copped 3 pairs of the Big Baller brand sneakers to support LeVar. Respect that. But Jay-Z got mad money. He can do shit like that.
3 pairs of Big Baller. Like, that's, what is that, $1,500?
Yeah.
Come on.
But he's like...
Come on. You can't even do a money phone with $1,500. Unless it's in singles.
Wow. He's worth $810 million?
Yes.
God damn.
He's trying to be the 1 billion boy.
Nice. I remember.
What song was that from? Was it from Blueprint where he was like, now I'm the 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, 4. Listen,
I remember when Jay-Z, Rockefeller, and niggas was trying to give people money to play their records. They were giving DJ straight cash.
Yep.
And they had Rockefeller had the whack logo, and they the first vinyl on one side was Ain't No Nigga.
Yeah.
And the other side was Can't Knock the Hustle.
Yeah.
I copped that. I still got it.
Yeah.
To think about it back then to now where he's at, that's inspirational, but then you're like, damn, what was I doing wrong?
Yo, I was the other day fucking around as per usual, Matt Smack Instagram Live, and I was walking around my crib, and like, I was looking at in the coat closet because you put your winter shit away for the summer or whatever.
We're so popping. I thought you said your coke closet. I was like, yeah, my nigga out here. Just open it. This shit got mad bricks and shit.
This shit just falls on my head. I'm like, yo, mad powder on my face.
Mad whip school like, whoa, straight Peru.
How'd that get there? But now the Jay-Z perp walk jacket, and then I just remember that, and I thought back. I'm like, damn, yo, Jay-Z really did a perp walk, nigga. And now he's like,
somebody. And
now he's like damn near a fucking billionaire. Like, yo,
listen,
you know what I mean? Shout out to you.
We're on the same trajectory as Jay-Z. Everything isn't, like it's not as
proper investments. That's all.
Not as we don't own Tidal, but
not yet.
Not yet.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Your boy is able to cop 2 big nutcrackers on the beach. You know what I mean?
I got the title to my car.
There you go.
Know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Like, you feel
baby
me?
steps.
Baby
steps.
You know what I mean? That was a problem for me. Bought the whip, bought the new car cash. You know what I'm saying? It's not like a fucking Lamborghini or nothing. But when you buy a car in full with a bank check, it's like, yo, nigga, like I'm out here.
Yeah, I haven't had no big purchase like that. That was like,
you know what I mean?
Maybe probably a pair of sneakers or some shit like.
That you thought you were like, yo, this is wild. You would have thought.
Back in OGs would be like, get the fuck out of here.
Are you bugging,
OGs
nigga?
would be like, please, I beg you, can I use that money for life?
Please?
To buy food?
Please? I hate ketchup soup. Like, it's driving me crazy. Like, can you
The other day, I had a pair of $700 sneakers in my shopping cart, and I had filled out all the info when I was about to press buy, and I was like, for what?
Yeah.
What's even the point? I'm gonna wear these a couple of times. Maybe people see them on TV.
Yeah.
Get a couple, maybe 2 tweets like, yo, you got fire kicks, and then what?
Yeah.
How will these sneakers help the emptiness in my soul?
You know what it is? I realized something. If you start rocking them, just like yo, these are just shoes.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like you get that satisfaction of like, I think I could do this.
No, but then it just becomes sad because something you paid so much money for just becomes, you realize they're just sneakers. And then they're all just sneakers. So what's even the point?
Let me get Mero on you.
The sneakers will eventually fall apart. As my mother said, you can't wear all the sneakers and you can't be buried with them.
That's true.
Why she think? You know what? I heard that as a challenge, so I am inventing a new coffin for sneakerheads.
That replaces your sneakers.
Called Kicks Coffin. And it's just like you can pack all your sneakers in at the bottom.
She just switches up for you every day.
Yes. And on the back, it's like, you know how you run the old 5 CD changers?
He's like, you go to put flowers at a nigga's grave. I'm like, yo, my nigga Desus, yo, I go to put the flowers.
It's a see-through coffin, and you can see this. And you're like, damn, I miss my nigga D. We got that heat. Oh shit, those are the breads. Oh shit.
You got fucking my little kids like, yo, this nigga have fire, yo, let's go, yo. I'm feeling away, yo. Let's go see Uncle D, yo. And they go to the mausoleum. You just standing there, like, with the different outfit on and shit. Like,
fresh Supreme, like,
yo. He's like, yo, Mero Jr. is like, yo, nigga, I can't even get that. How you get that?
Fresh to death, for real.
Yo.
The
like
fucking
I jumped
machine,
up out of casket.
The machine malfunctions and doesn't put sneakers on my feet. And it just spins. It's just my decomposing toes and shit. Like,
Yeah, I'm like, no, Joe, don't look.
We'll come back tomorrow.
We'll come back tomorrow.
Come on, tomorrow. He'll have like some Margiela or some shit. Niggas like, Satra gotta come through. She's making new outfits for me. She's like, this is for Monday, this is for Tuesday, this is Wednesday. I want you to wear this on Thursday with those kicks. I'm like, I don't know.
She's just talking to your corpse.
Because I'm like, no, I don't know. Ooh, I can't wear Nike with Adidas. You know what? That actually that gives me so much anxiety.
The Nike and Adidas thing?
Yeah, like anytime. Because every now and then, like, I'll grab, like, tonight, like, these are Nike shorts.
Yeah.
And you might just grab a pair of sneakers or whatever.
Yeah.
I have left my house in, what was it? I had on those very comfortable, the Tsungi Blaze, those Pumas.
Yeah.
And I had on the Nike tech suit and Pumas. And I told the car, I was like, nah, we got to go back. I got
you
sneakers.
did? You turned around?
I couldn't do it. I can't do it.
Look, I actually went to the mall and I actually felt bad because the same thing happened. Like, I threw on the tech sweats with the fucking Adidas t-shirt and the Puma sneakers, and I got in the car and I didn't realize until I was halfway to the mall, and then I was just like, I almost turned around and I was like, bro, you're an asshole if you turn around right now. I convinced myself that was an asshole move, but it's really not. Like, it's valid.
Yeah.
Oh,
shout out to everyone that copped the merch this week.
Yo, word. Just sold out like 7 minutes, bro.
12 minutes. 12 minutes for everything to sell out completely.
Damn, bro.
Shout to the Hive. People were buying from Germany.
The brand is fucking
brolic. We got the restock. We mentioned that already, but just wanted to big up on yourselves.
You know what I mean?
We got some more designs coming. We got designs for ladies. We got the ones. What we got?
We got the women joint. We got the. I said women because I was about to say female, and started firestorm the mentions. We got the women's joints coming. Yeah, a little more. Femme cut. You know,
we actually are partnering with Fashion Nova, so it's gonna be like very, very chic.
Yep.
Very spandex. So you can see through it. You can see your nipples. You know what I'm saying? You can wear it to either your husband's funeral or pizza zoo. That's what we're throwing for casual contempo. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Ladies, I want something. I know. I read the comments. I know you want the problematic babe cat suits that come real close to the choach with the
snap crotch.
You want all that?
Yeah.
You want that? You want the crotch? We are working on it. We're gonna have it in time for Kwanzaa. The kente cloth lingerie.
Get ready.
All right,
it's coming.
All right. You too, my sister, could be whole tap. You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean? You can light the candle and light his candle. You feel me?
You feel me?
You know what I'm saying?
12 days of Kwanzaa. We gotta make like let's make the wild sensual R&B Kwanzaa album.
Make a position for every principle.
Third day. Kuijiwa. I don't know what the fuck it is.
For Ubuntu.
For
Ubuntu style.
Da 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 da.
For dashiki, it's froggy style.
Kwanzaa love. They got to rebrand Kwanzaa, like Kwanzaa 2.0.
Yeah, because listen, Kwanzaa should get more love than it does. You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is? We started it. It's like the big baller brand of holidays.
Yeah.
And we don't support it.
That is factual.
I'm sorry.
Factual.
That's all it is, niggas. Every other, like, we came and we was like, yo, black people, we have our own Christmas. It was like, all right. And niggas is like, yo, that started in 1950. That's not a real holiday. When do you think Christmas started? Christmas wasn't always there. So a white person just made Christmas one day.
Yeah. That shit wasn't forever. Nigga, like the caveman wasn't doing Christmas.
They did Christmas the same way the nigga that made Reese's peanut butter
straight up
started.
Nigga just dropped chocolate and some peanut butter. I was like, oh shit, whoa,
you
shit.
got peanut butter on my chocolate.
Oh, whoa.
You got chocolate on my peanut butter.
Oh, this is delicious.
Oh, my old heads are like, I remember that commercial. We are so fucking old. Oh, wow.
Yo.
Yeah. Shout out to who was there that I met yesterday? I forgot. Doesn't matter.
There's mad people.
She was good. We're gonna have a.
It's wild, though.
We're gonna have our own Fools Go Bronx
You know what I'm
edition.
saying? That's right.
On Orchard Beach.
Or Cortona Park.
We're not providing no security,
No security
no
at all.
water, no VIP.
The only security is gonna be DT event. That's it.
Niggas not even having like a sound stage. I'm just having a Bluetooth speaker. I'll be like, go ahead.
Go ahead. Do your thing.
Go ahead.
Yo, you got a USB shit? You got your beat on a USB? I told you to bring your beat on a USB. If you don't got it, then you go Acapulco.
I'll be like, yo, is your song on Spotify?
Go ahead, I'll throw it on. You can lip sync.
You got a login?
You got a mobile Wi-Fi, my nigga? Because the shit here is weak.
Damn, you don't got nothing? All right.
Have you used NYC Wi-Fi?
No.
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 Right? Is that a Russian scam?
Interesting note. I was one of the founders, and I know people are gonna Google it and be like, I'm lying. I'm not. I was one of the not founders, but I worked with the initial group to create NYC Wi-Fi.
Oh, where?
Their thing was we should have Wi-Fi all across New York City. So this is back when there was the only place that had Wi-Fi was Bryant Park.
Okay.
That's the only place in New York City that had like free Wi-Fi, and we like did like. We had a website and we were trying to spread it and shit.
But to be honest, like New York City should have Wi-Fi everywhere.
Yes,
It's
but the
New York
problem
City.
is no one gives you anything for free,
Of course.
without there being some sort of.
No way.
So I feel like the government is like definitely sifting that traffic.
Yeah.
So I would not. I don't trust it.
Yeah.
Also, they have those kiosks that you can charge your phone through USB.
Yeah.
Have you lost your fucking
mind? Dog, when I plug my phone into my laptop, it says trust, do not trust.
Right.
You think I'm gonna plug my shit into a kiosk, nigga, that had a
Right.
nigga jerking off in it 10 minutes ago? No thanks.
They could get his
No
phone, they
thanks.
could get his Galaxy charged up so he could go on. Listen, if you homeless and you jerking off the Pinot on the street,
Come on.
your priorities is fucked up, my guy.
Yo, come on, fam.
It's called the Port Authority, not the Porn Authority.
Come
Like,
on, B.
You can't live there permanently.
No. I know that you feel a certain way because you could drink a 20-ounce beer in a plastic cup freely, but nah.
Why would I leave? I got my store right here. I got Taco Bell right here.
Beer over here.
All right. He just got mad sneakers. I got mad feet.
That's it.
It's whatever.
That's nothing, baby.
Nigga just shuffling past you. You trying to get to DC and
you're
shit. You're like,
come
oh,
on, my G.
like,
It's 3 in the
fam.
morning.
Like that's so wild that no one is just like, hey, maybe we should protect the passengers from these.
These wild vagrants. That's very problematic, bro. It's fucking.
No,
that's
it's
how you
not
feel.
problematic. It's actual factual.
Yeah, that's how you feel.
I'm tired of people. Now I feel like Donald Trump.
Yeah.
I'm tired of people getting mad about about actual facts.
Yo,
There's
yo.
bad people on both sides.
Yeah.
There's bad people going to DC and there's bad vagrants.
Yo, now that's a fact, bro. Because like honestly, look, I have male privilege. You know what I'm saying? Like that's a real thing. It's real.
Yes.
As a dude, I walk down the street. I'm not really scared of much. You know what I'm saying? But if I'm a woman and I'm walking through the subway at 2 a.m. and there's some big ass motherfucker in the corner jerking off, that's gonna freak me out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like. You know what I mean? Like that's just regular shit. Like it's not necessarily like, you know what I mean? Like there needs to be, I don't want to get mad at fucking like, you know, talking head on you motherfuckers, but like there's got to be a solution to this shit that's not like arrest these niggas like Giuliani was doing, because Giuliani was like, yo, you sleeping on the street, nigga, go to jail.
Yeah, they need better social services.
And that's a fact. Yo, this nigga laugh because it's true facts.
That was what he was
yo,
doing.
Giuliani was just rather,
That's
you
just rounding
homeless, you
niggas
go to
up.
jail.
And that's the thing, like they be locking them up for stuff, and it's just like if you lock up an emotionally disturbed person and they can't get like the medicine and the help they
You know what
need,
I'm saying?
that's just gonna make it worse.
That's gonna make it worse because they're gonna bump into a nigga that's in a gang and is in there or some other shit and is having his own shit and ain't trying to hear nothing. You know what I'm saying? Especially this dude who's talking about like, you know, the voices and whatever.
The saddest shit is usually like when you're in jail and like there's like an emotionally disturbed person, or whatever. They usually have like one person that they link up with that can like calm them down
Right.
and keeps them on their meds and like talk some shit. And then the jail will be like, all right, transfer that nigga away.
Yeah, get him out of here.
Get him out of here.
Yep.
And
Send
then
that nigga to
when this
clean.
nigga start wilding, they like, why did
is
that
he
happen?
wilding? Oh, come back later. Yo, let's have the turtles come in and beat the shit out of this nigga. Yo.
I don't know what the solution is for like corrections. That's the other thing. People always like, yo, what's the answer? How is America? Like maybe I keep saying it. Maybe America's done.
Might be a wrap.
Maybe America is the hot pocket.
Listen.
We've been in the microwave too many times.
Listen.
First time, the outside was cold, the inside was too hot. Now the outside is too hot, the inside is lava.
Yeah.
And you're like, yo, I'm never gonna eat this hot pocket.
Never.
You gotta throw it away.
No, or you do the worst thing and you just let it sit there and be like, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit.
And now you got a
You
used to
forget
be
about
hot
it.
hot pocket that's
Yep.
now a cold
That's
hot
not
pocket.
a cold
You can't do
hot
shit
pocket.
with that.
Unless you want to put it back in the microwave, and then by this time, now the edges are cement.
And the whole
Good
thing
luck.
is hard.
Yep.
Damn. I hope none of y'all can relate to that because that means you eating hot pockets.
Yeah.
That means damn.
You're
Shit is
living
rough.
foul.
Damn. If you live in foul, don't forget we're doing Bodega Dreams with the hashtag. We're looking for bigger projects.
Yep.
We got some big things going
what I'm
on at the
saying?
end of the month.
You know what I
The
mean?
BX Academy is still happening. It was
That's
not
right.
just a lie I told Pharrell. We are going to give these little bastards book bags.
That's right. We're gonna
I'm
do
going to
it.
say that. I'll be like, here's a book bag, you little bastard. Mwah.
North Face, this
I'm
is your
kissing
chance.
any kid that has a book bag, I'm kissing them.
Mwah.
Mwah.
You know what I'm saying?
Here, take this book bag, little nigga, baby. Mwah.
Yo, North Face, Nike, whoever, here's your chance.
Listen.
Come through with a fucking...
Be on the right side of history.
You know what I'm saying? Come through with
a lot of y'all
book bags.
doubted the kids. Look at us. 3 years in, we still going.
Yo, matter of fact, as a former school worker, shout out to North Face. Fuck with the book bags. Very durable, dope. You know what I'm saying? But the motherfucking emergency whistle on the shits is just a device for public school children to annoy the shit out of me to the point where I want to throw them out the window.
Well,
you know what I'm saying? I never went
gotta
there.
hear both sides. As a spokesperson for North Face, I would say, we don't make book bags and jackets for you little fucking sea urchins. That's for people who climb mountains.
Yeah, because most of the time
That's for people who climb mountains.
Yeah, most of the time
We're making jackets for people who go to the top of Mount Everest, not the top of Mount East Tremont. Okay,
not the top of Mount Eden, nigga.
Okay,
Niggas like, yo, what's the last time you climbed out, nigga? Mount Eden.
Nigga, why do you have an $800 jacket on the 41 bus?
But nigga, because I'm climbing Mount Hope. You go down the stairs on 170, like, yo.
Shout out to Tent and Trails. Yo, nothing better than like you have the wild expensive North Face jacket or North Face equipment, and then you have like the wild inclement weather in New York City, and you get to use like some feature you didn't know.
Suit?
You're like, yo, oh shit, there's like a mesh, there's a mask built into my hood.
Yeah.
You be out there in blizzard wear, going to the fucking bodega.
Not giving a fuck.
It's a blizzard. There's 20 feet of snow. Bodega's still open.
You already know.
Bodega ain't closing.
Yo, the
fucking cat is out there in a tech suit. Like, yeah.
What's good? What's
like,
good?
Yo, the cat is fucking shoveling.
The cat shoveling? He's like, yo, niggas telling you the new code word for Lucy's and
He's
shit.
like, yo, this shit is OD, fam. Watch out. It's slippery in there. I put down some cardboard, though. You good?
Yo, it's poppy sticks now. You gotta call it poppy sticks.
Poppy's not even dressed for the weather. Nigga, the short sleeve and shit. Nigga, watching
with the Theo Chancletas and shit.
Nigga, watching the Yankee game. It's the middle of winter. You're like, how you watching a live Yankee?
Oh no, it's the La Liga. It's La Águila. I'm watching La Águila. You're like, how's Robinson Cano playing for D? What the fuck? How are you? This is a championship?
Nigga, there's a blizzard outside.
How y'all niggas?
The lights is flickering. Nigga don't even care. They got a little rum. He's like, what do you want? No hot sandwiches. And every other scumbag in your neighborhood that did not prepare for the blizzard is in there too. Like, mad OD tight. Like,
buying socks.
Go, if 5 niggas are hitting me in the sandwich line.
Come on, man.
Fuck it. Damn. I'll take these fruit roll-ups. Let me get a backwood, and I'll get that that Mariano Rivera action figure. Why not? I'm paying in 20. I want to break it. You don't know what to buy during the blizzard. Like, during Hurricane Sandy, I went to the bodega. I want the yellow crunch cookies, the butter crunch cookies, mad backwoods, OG beer. I think like bread, milk, eggs.
Dog,
what am I gonna do?
What am
I making?
Fam, I bought so much water that after Sandy came and like nothing really happened to my crib, like I felt like an asshole because I had an entire left side of my living room was full. It looked like a display for water at the supermarket.
Nigga, I filled up my bathtub with water and then I have bottles of water.
Fam, I did the same shit.
And I was like, yo, how bad is shit gonna be that I'm drinking water out my... If it reaches that, nah, nigga, I'm just gonna throw myself in traffic like, oh!
Fam, I filled my bathtub. I made a deal with my sister. I was like, yo, I'm gonna fill my apartment bathtub up with water just in case we lose water. And until then, we're gonna shower in your shit. So it's like a queue of niggas showering in my sister's apartment. Like, yo, we all standing there in towels and shit. Like, yo, don't use all the hot water, my nigga.
Oh, fuck. Yo, shout out to... If anyone in New York City, when you see windows and they have the X on them, the tape, that's from Hurricane Sandy.
That's Hurricane.
Because mad people, I think a lot of people in New York forgot they even had windows. It was like, oh shit.
Oh shit, that's right.
Let me put tape on the shit.
By the way, that don't work.
And after fucking Hurricane Sandy came and went, and then blow your shit out, niggas never took down the tape. Like, niggas had tape up for years.
Yeah, no.
What year was Hurricane Sandy? That was
2012, I think.
Wow.
That was a minute ago.
Yeah, that's when I had that shitty office. Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh wow, 2012.
That was a rough year.
I had just started that job, and I remember they closed down the subway, and it was like, niggas can't go to work. And I literally hit the floor with tears in my eyes. I was like, thank you, Jesus. I do not have to go to that terrible job where I was tweeting all brazy and you guys fell in love with me and I'm tweeting about Keisha and all that shit and I had work bay.
Yo, I was funny because like I thought I still had to go to work. I was like, yo, please transit strike, please close transit, please close.
And people were
transit,
like,
please
oh, why would you turn off the trains?
Why? They're underground. There's no snow underground.
Whoa,
Man.
Get this guy out of office. And they're like, oh, the shit flooded. And niggas like, whoa, that could happen.
Oh, shit, word. Okay,
that's surprising.
Oh shit.
The whole lower Manhattan.
No, what? I just remember being on my couch, mad smack, like smoking weed out the window because at that time I'm like, yo, I can't. It's an apartment. You can't smoke weed in an apartment. Nigga. You can smoke weed in a room of a house and then not smell the entire house.
Yeah.
You can't smoke weed in the room of an apartment and not have the whole shit smell like
I was
weed.
3 months behind on my rent, so I was smoking OD weed in there. I was like, what? What are you gonna do? Huh?
Kick me out, nigga. I was smoking weed out the window and the wind is crazy, but I'm just like.
Rest in peace, Rocco and Charlie. Well, Charlie's still around, but the wind was driving them nuts.
Yeah.
I was like, oh,
Yeah.
Wow. You like, calm down.
I felt bad for Brownie. I was like, yeah, she's like shivering and shit in the corner. I was like, I feel bad. I was like, but yo, you're good. Like you don't understand what I'm telling you right now, but you're good. You're good. I paid mad money for you. There's mad accessories here for you. You're good.
She's like, what? She's
like, shit.
She's like, what?
Shit.
Oh, she
Outside?
has this.
Remember the episode of The Simpsons where like they're trying to teach Snowball? And he was like,
wow.
Yeah.
You took it back.
Yeah.
That was back when The Simpsons was funny.
Yeah.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And he was like, and then he just heard Bart say, sit. And he was like, oh, he sat. And niggas started bugging out. That was touching.
The Simpsons. They went on too long and they got terrible. I can't wait for this podcast to do that.
Oh, man, I can't wait till we're talking about like fucking macrame, some stupid shit.
So with
like,
his phone in the shit.
I bought these socks yesterday. They were amazing.
We're gonna get to the point we're not even gonna do jokes. We're gonna do like the wild jazz interlude. Like just a 4-minute interlude of just like fucking just like lives.
It's coming mad doped up like, yeah. Hey D man, I'm just really feeling something different today, man. You mind if we just jam? You want to just jam for a little bit? You want to just jam? Let's just jam.
Oh shit, yeah. All right, Hasan, loop that. Make it 40 minutes. All right, we're off that. I got my jet outside. I gotta get out of here.
I put my Birkenstocks back on. Walk out.
I have one of the shoes that look like human hands. The toe of the rippers. I'm like, yeah. Walk out.
I don't even care. Nigga just sits recording, goes to sleep and shit. Like, yo,
I got on yoga pants.
Another million.
Another one today. Like we're just like it's guaranteed, buddy. We're on that Adam Sandler shit.
Yeah,
like niggas
bro.
like, why do they still make these? These are terrible.
Niggas make 20 clicks. Nigga. Get ready, because here we go.
Waterboy 2 and 3 and 4.
Nigga,
Turn that shit to the Fast and Furious franchise.
We start making studio deals like, yo, we want to make a 10-movie deal. We don't have a premise yet, but just sign the deal.
This summer, the boys are back in town. Smack City 5. Featuring Ving Rhames.
And they just show Ving Rhames being like, no! Ka-choof. Black screen. Coming soon.
And everyone at the theater's like, yo! Everyone's like, gotta stay behind after the trailer.
Yo, I can't, yo.
Here's some spoilers about Smack City 5.
Yo. I got a leak of the script. Shit is mad fake. Like, it's just some shit niggas wrote mad high, like it was just put on the internet.
There's a scene that uses the most marijuana ever involved in a Hollywood production.
Remember in Batman when the Joker lit the pile of money on fire?
I don't know what Game of Thrones is, but that scene they had, it was a battle and the dragon came through and did all that fire.
Yeah.
It's gonna be you with the weed. Like mad concert cover. You're just like
It's wild CGI smoke and shit. Like Michael Bay presents
Smack City 5 this year.
And it's V instead of 5.
With the Cinco. We're like this year with the Cinco, and it's just like fucking Ocho Cinco pulls up like, get in, assholes.
Get in, you assholes.
We're getting shopping. And it's like this credits.
It's a Camry and shit. Niggas mad sensible. He's like, yo, I told y'all, man, to be sensible with your money, man. I don't gamble, man.
That's the joke that it goes out on the trailer.
Yeah.
Then after that, there comes like the wild, serious art film trailer for like World War II.
It turns into black and white.
Like,
we keep switching characters and shit. Like shit is mad like meta and fucking stupid.
Le Fin. I'm like, Mero, Desus. Mero, they're taking you away on the train. I'm like, Mero.
Sacre bleu.
Mero.
I'm reaching out my hand and shit. You're running after the train. I'm like, no.
I get mad widgets for the weed. I'm like,
I just go and sit down.
they're like, if you actually run, you could catch that train. Like, you're not really trying. I'm like,
just going mad slow.
I'm like, yo, nah, these are Yeezys and it's kind of muddy. I don't
you know what I'm
really.
saying? This is
like,
6 in Parkchester.
I fucks with him, but not like that. I can't. Like, I don't got no crap protector on my shit.
I just throw my fucking headphones on and shit. So I'm playing Candy Crush and listening to fucking Dembo. Like, yo, shit.
Will I ever see him again?
Fiend. Yo, that's the shit niggas want to ask her for, bro.
No, I'm gonna make a movie. It's gonna be like an hour long. It's about me getting dressed to go to work and all this shit. I swipe my Metro card. It says swipe again. I'll be like, no.
Just collapse. Drone shot.
Then it said Finn. The Impression of Man. It's just gonna win like 30 awards and shit.
Best short film. It's gonna be mad tense because it's gonna be up against my High at the Bodega short film, where I just stare at the Little Debbie rack for 15 minutes straight, like I do nothing.
It's like what's that guy, Wes Anderson? It's a perfect symmetry. There's Goya cans on both sides. The cat walks across.
You just see me from behind, like
you have on the bright pastels.
my arms just hanging straight down. Like,
I'm like, why is Mero dressed like a sailor?
Then the mad tie shot of my eyes, mad blaze, like looking back and forth, mad anxiety, like. Yeah, like it's such a beautiful film. It's such a reflection on anxiety.
Little Miss Smackshine.
Yo, shout out to Wes Anderson for cracking the code for making movies for white people.
Yo, he got one. He figured it. That's what you just gotta figure out the code.
Yo, he cracked the white people code,
You
bro.
gotta figure out the code. I think
put that nigga's name on any type of film thing, and white people are gonna go see it.
There you go. He's like Tyler Perry for white people.
Hell yeah.
To say it's Tyler Perry's not talented, that's not fair.
I mean, it's not fair because
it's just not my cup of tea.
Yeah, no,
that's all it is.
Yeah, I mean, like he might not be. Yeah, exactly. Like he might not be a cup of tea, but he's definitely talented. Like he made the leap from like stage to movies.
Yeah.
And, you know, any nigga that finesses his way to the top, that's a talent. You know what I'm saying? Like finessing is a talent. Like I told y'all, being light skinned is not a talent. Finessing is a talent. You know what I'm saying? So.
I mean, you know how we judge people on the show and on.
Yeah, we're very judgmental.
What do you think? What do you think his net worth is?
With all the movies, and I'm gonna be sad if it's lower than this because this is kind of like a reflection on like our buying power,
right?
And you know what I mean by our. I want to say like 90 mil,
600 million.
Damn!
You doing the Family Feud dance?
Damn! 600 million?
It feels like we all got 600 million, right?
Yo, hell yeah!
600
million. No wonder he's doing action movies and shit. I was like, yo,
you do what you want when you're popping.
Yo,
when you imagine you have like, if you woke up tomorrow, you had 2 mil in the bank account.
Dog.
Right? How do you feel? You got 600 mil,
nigga.
Because I mean.
And I feel like
600 mil clearly feels better than 500 mil, which felt better than 400 mil. But
I mean,
nigga,
you earn the triple millions.
If I ever meet 600 million, I'm gonna stop saying the N word.
That's a
psych. I'm gonna call everyone the N word. Can't wait to be in a machine, be in a fucking meeting with white people. I'm gonna start calling white people nigger.
Yeah. Listen, you fucking nigger. I am the boss here.
This is my fucking.
This is
10 movie
Desus
deal.
Inc., you motherfucking nigger.
Right? Every nigger in this room is gonna answer to me. If I gotta crack the whip, I will.
Yo, they're all Swedish. They're like, Desus, why are you being? I don't understand.
Watch your mouth, nigger.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, Schadenflugen.
Everyone's gonna be very confused. They're like, Desus nice, caught on tape using racial epithets. I'm like, isn't this just basically the podcast?
Yeah, no, they pan around the room as all white people. They're like, what the fuck?
That's like the reverse title picture. I put up the Instagram photo of me and my niggers, man.
No. Oh shit.
They'll be like, why don't you stop him from saying that? It's like he's Jesus.
He's
for
Jesus.
600 million.
I mean, then they get on some like wild like white girl shit like, oh, I mean, I don't have the authority to really tell him how to
I just start fucking with people. I name my child nigger.
Nigger baker.
I'm like, what's up?
Bro.
Everyone will be like, oh, Jesus is nice. His wife and child. I'll be like, why y'all don't put some respect on my put my kid's name in there?
Imagine a little place setting for your kid. Nigger baker. I'm like,
yo.
God damn.
Jesus taking his child N-word out for a walk in the park.
Yo. That's what they're gonna do at TMZ. Desus and little N-word.
Little N-word.
A baller alert. Baller babies.
I got a blanket over little N-word's face.
Yo,
respect her privacy.
Oh, fucking baller. Baller babies. Rob Kardashian and Little Dream.
Look at Blue Ivy and nigger playing. I'm like, what?
Whoa, shit. Whoa. You know, baller is gonna call him nigger too. Yeah. Like they're gonna be like nigger baker.
Nigger baker. Wow. Oh man.
Oh no.
Oh man.
Oh, so problematic.
So exactly all problematic. Problematic like didn't even come on. Con Edison was just like, nah. You turn it on. They're not fixing that bill this week.
Nah, man. It's over for that.
No.
It's just now. It's just a figment.
You gonna come to a nigger's baby shower?
Hell yeah.
It's gonna be mad.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking crush.
It's gonna be
I'm
mad.
a baby shower MVP.
It's gonna be mad KFC there.
I'm gonna walk in mad smack and be like, and just look at you across the room like with a glare like, and then text you like, KFC nigga? Really?
Yeah.
Or the really nigga vibe.
And I'll be back confused and be like, you calling me nigga? You talking about my child? Like, yo, this man. I'm like, what up, nigga? I'll be like, she's over here.
He's over. Right. It's a girl.
I'm surprised no white person just to be problematic hasn't done that.
Yeah, I'm very surprised.
Like somebody like, triggered much libertards.
What are you gonna do now, Snowflake?
My daughter's name is nigger, so it's no longer a racial slur.
That's right. Would they do that at the hospital? I mean, I guess it depends on where you're born.
Can they stop? Do you know how to name kids? I don't know nothing about that.
Like, I don't know. I don't know.
Are kids' names like passwords for computers?
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Is it like case sensitive?
Yeah,
you can't use symbols and shit.
Yeah, that's what happened with my first kid. They came back. They were like, "Yo, this name isn't strong enough." You know what I mean? And then I typed in a
Nigga had
different
mad
name.
underscores in it. Nigga's name was like Amari underscore I. Nigga used a 1 for the I.
They're like, "This name is taken already. Would you like to suggest a name?" It's like Amari 6879999999999. What the fuck? But yeah, like I've never. I mean, like I never had
you can't name a
kid's name. Because remember that dude that named this kid Adolf Hitler?
Yeah.
I mean, like I could understand why like they would let you get away with that, but like straight up calling your kid a racial slur, like. You know what I mean? Like, imagine being the ill white supremacist and being like, "Yo, this is my son, nigger kike." Like,
your kid might hate you.
like,
You're either guaranteeing your kid is going to be the greatest KKK member or the greatest fucking social justice warrior ever against all injustice.
Who plays in the NBA and the NFL and kneels during the anthem and shit?
Yeah.
You're like, yo, nigga grows an afro and shit for something.
Nigger Kike takes the knee. You're like, whoa. I stand.
Great catch by Kike.
Like I can't put this on number 38. Like use his last name.
Use his last name. Why don't you use his last name?
No. Just go by last names. It's all right. No need to get messy.
Oh god.
No need for racial slurs. Yeah, hopefully you can't name your kid racial slurs.
Oh god.
I guess we'll find out this week.
Yeah, because you know somebody's gonna hear it and do it now.
Somebody will be like, "Yo,
hey,
this is my daughter. This is my daughter Spick. I named her after episode 3076." I'm like, "Oh wow.
Why'd you do that?
Hey, listen, little Dago, come over here, meet Jesus."
Hey, come here, little guinea wop.
No relation to Fetty. Yeah, baby.
Hey, Oriental chick, come here. Meet my other son, nigger wop. Like he's a mix.
I think I said Giddy Wop. That's like Trap Queen, but just a mad, more racist version.
She's like, Giddy Wop, better in the bando. She be making songs just like my nana. Model, we don't like them brown folks.
Yeah, baby. I'm gonna see some movies with my baby.
Yeah.
Oh, we are terrible people. I can't believe we're doing this on a Sunday.
Yeah, but you know what? We let you know what's going on in the world on this here program.
Because God's working on all of us.
That's
you know
right.
what it is. You know what I mean?
Everybody's saddle is occupied in their butt on their own horse.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, we're just riders in the sky, but the brown version. Shout out to Riders in the Sky.
Shout out to Riders in the Sky.
There was
Those the guys on like the Pegasus or whatever the fuck it was?
No, Riders in the Sky was a cowboy troupe, and they used to play like country music, and they had puppets and shit. They were on CBS. They come on at 12:30 on Saturdays.
Right.
It was like live action.
Yeah.
The shit was kind of popping.
Wow.
That's why I can't maintain good relationships, because my brain is full of garbage.
As for Saturday morning cartoon trivia?
So instead, like, people were just like, yo, a girl's like, yo, just listen to me. This is what I want. This is all I need. And in my head, I'm like, wow.
Like, no, Sonic the Hedgehog went off the air in 95?
Remember when Optimus Prime died?
Damn, that was wild.
Like, she's looking at my face. She's like, this is our last chance to be together. You know, you have to do this. You have to listen to me. We have to communicate. I'm like,
shut the fuck up. I'm trying to download Seabear and Jamal.
I'm like, wow. You know, like, the Colossus, you know, they're running. Yeah. It's crazy. The Attack on Titan. Like, why don't they just live in basements? What's going on?
Is this what you're fucking thinking about?
Do the Titans get athlete's foot?
Oh my god, yo.
Do they just running around with no shoes and shit? Like,
yo, this nigga's not like, hello.
Yo,
hello.
They call it Adult Swim because that's like,
why you never want to attack this Titan, nigga? My god. Shorty's mad aggravated with you and shit. You just sitting there watching mad anime like, yo.
Yeah.
It's so deep, yo, but you gotta understand the message behind it.
Like, you fucking weeble.
Yo.
No. Don't let manga. Don't let MAGA or manga.
Yeah, don't let
break
up
your relationship.
Yeah.
That's the takeaway for today.
Yo, Shanta, yeah, you know that they're building. Remember the whole thing about them closing the Bronx Barnes and Noble, and it was like the people were trying to save it and they failed and blah 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 whatever. Now it's a Saks off Fifth is what it's gonna be now. Whatever. So now niggas gonna go get more fake Ferragamo belts.
Can't wait.
That's exactly what the community needs. But anyway, that place.
Shout out to your fake uncle congressman coming on our show and beefing about hookahs destroying the Dominican community, and now you're over here talking about Ferragamo belts and decimating the community.
Yo,
I feel like the BX of the Academy is gonna waste a lot of money to fix shit that's not wrong with the hood.
Yo,
I'd be like, yo, the problem with our black sisters is their belts don't be fitting properly. So there's like a little gap in between the back of their jeans and you can see their panties. So we gotta like make sure the jeans is more slim fit.
That's right.
Okay.
They not making jeans for our sisters.
That's right.
They making jeans for the white devil.
That's right. Apple bottoms. More apple bottoms for the hood.
For the hood. Boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. Thank you.
Pedicures on the toes.
Yeah, we love you.
Now give it up for Nelly. Come to the stage, dirty.
Yeah. He comes on stage, rips the band-aid off. I want to talk to y'all sincerely right now. Chimmy Chimmy Coca Pop, listen to it now. Light it up and take a puff. Pass it to me now.
We love you, Nelly.
Thank you. Nigga walks up stage and goes like, damn, that was deep.
That was deep, man. Nelly, what's the plan?
I don't know, nigga. Do you got a plan? Remember we said this shit? It's like, nigga, what the fuck? You know?
Nelly don't got no plan. Listen, if an emergency arises and you have to ask Ja Rule or Nelly what the plan of action is.
Come on. You know those, I mean, I'm not going to say stupid because they are kind of necessary. Those commercials that are like, yo, remember to have a plan in case of emergency. Yeah. Like, yo, remember, like, talk to your family about it. And, if there's a fire, whatever. Of course, I ignore all that shit. But, like, I'm not doing one of those if it's starring Nelly and Ja Rule. Like, if Nelly and Ja Rule are sitting down, like, if there's a fire, you got to stop, drop, and roll. I'm like, nigga, get out of here.
Listen, you find out a lot about yourself and the people in your life when there's an emergency. Like, how they react. Like, if niggas are running out, like, you'll find out if your parents will run out a burning building and be across the street, like, whew, we made it. Yeah. You inside the house, like, yo, I'm a child. You left.
Yo,
I'm a baby,
get me?
nigga.
I can't go downstairs. I mean, I'm low. The smoke ain't hit me yet.
Damn. Nigga, it's a good thing I could crawl.
Fuck. Fall down the stairs, get down to the lobby, be mad as fuck. Like,
come out the lobby like, Mom. She's like, I knew we left something. Damn. Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I knew we left something on my tax return.
Wow.
Yo, there's some niggas who really think it's just like a tax return. I mean, it's sad.
Why you subbing me? I mean, at the counter, like, yo, here, this is Tyreek. Learn him. Write it off.
How do you spell Tyreek? I don't know, man.
I don't know.
Yo, sound it out, my nigga. What the fuck?
How I spell it? Money signs, nigga. I'll be back in 2 hours.
Yeah, it's $$, $$, $$.
You know what I'm saying? I didn't pull out, so I have to pull out of my account now. So make sure I pull out a little amount.
Yeah.
Treat the kids like a social security number. That's all they is.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's been episode 76.
That's right, you
the
fucking
trust the process issue.
Yes.
Trust the process episode. Sunday.
You know
Sunday.
It's the Lord's Day.
Is it the Lord's Day? How to get Sunday?
Lord's Day.
It's not really the Lord's Day. Sunday is the day where you're having a good time. Maybe you just watch Insecure.
Yeah.
You're feeling good, and then my girlfriend anxiety shows up.
Hey, what's up? It's Monday. How you doing?
Hey, what's going on, ball bags?
Hey, what's up? Hey, guess what? Get out of bed, you fucking schmo. Hey, 5:45 a.m. Get up, get your kids, you schmuck. You got to
It's
shower
not even that early. It's just like at 10 o'clock, you remember you got to go to work. You're like, yeah, remember. Guess who has a PowerPoint presentation on tomorrow? Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Listen. Oh, boy. Yeah, no. 6. It's 5:45 for your boy. And it's like, I want to say the anxiety sets in around 8.
But you get anxiety about getting up?
Well, not getting up. It's just like the
but you got a lot of shit
day.
to do, yeah.
Yeah, it's the entire day. It's like, damn, okay, I got to do this, I got to do this, I got to do this, I got to do this. I got to remember to water plants, my nigga. Like, I remember I got to water, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not that hard, but like in the gamut of things to do, it's very easy to forget.
There are women who have to sleep with their babies in the South Bronx to keep rats from biting them at night.
That's true.
And you're complaining about watering plants.
You know what I'm saying?
Your life is good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? But, anxiety is what it is.
I wake up and I do the Siri, where am I thing. I'm like, oh.
She's like, you're at nigga.
Wow.
You know what it is.
Wow. Why it's gotta be like that? Why it's gotta be like that? It's been episode 76. Trust the process.
You've been here mad
It's your
times.
boy, Desus Vice, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Yoshi Chipotle,
Stop
a.k.a. Pocket Stack Fat like Terrio.
Just store this
a.k.a.
shit,
Chris
nigga.
Stabs for Sling
Come
Dick,
on.
a.k.a. Eli Let Me. Turn his mic off. Turn his mic. Someone turn his mic off.
Just put a star in Google Maps.
Just turn his mic off. Butch Gully. Some of them I know your bitch. Young Day Party. Young Hot Take. DJ Fuego. Mr. Nado the Rock. The weirdo of Santana Vete Quattro and over young. Miguel going off.
The Juve Boss.
The Juve Boss, yes. Messi, get money, Mero. If MC Little Gunga P. Put up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. don't talk to me in the Uber pool.
I don't know you at all.
And don't ask me where I'm going if you see me in the Uber. I'm just going somewhere, okay?
Somewhere.
All right? Yes,
So
I spend 80% of my life in the back of a Lyft or an Uber pool, but that's how my life is set up right now. Don't ask no questions and roll with me, ma. The original my plus one got a plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Did Rossi in the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast.
Wow.
The Ghost of Mufasa.
That's right.
They're going to make a release on this. It's going to go straight to DVD. Shit going to make money, though.
Yeah.
Yo, Takuli Rat the Coolery, a.k.a. Chile Roll, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. K-Lo-K.
Papi, okay.
Vasquez Makuzaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus Ex Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, The Human Dr. Bonner Label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p because I like my Pinot Blurry, DJ Woolite, a.k.a. listening to Washed FM. Coming up next, we've got All City Crew. What? All City Crew. The Curry Go, Jesus Spicer, Jamal Ashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Rare Nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain don't even attempt to contain me because you'll get Moreno all over your hand and you gotta wash it off. The Human Meme, word the job. Young Aaron, the racing provocateur, Henrik Budquest, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me, Vladimir Boofin. I'm boofing.
Yeah.
The Human Werther's melting in your mouth. Flavor on top of flavor. Mr. Bex on Decaton, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee. But I got the cucumber. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. When you get arrested, I want you people to yell that. I am the art. I am the art. That's the new protest. I am the art. I am the art. Mr. Shopping that street easy with bad breaches like I'm easy, please. Believe me.
Yeah.
The black Asiatic will crack your back like an automatic crap addict. Mr. La Marina, Mesh Marina with a fresh Mr. Marina, cold demeanor, a.k.a. your problematic babe. Mwah!
I'm saying let it breathe a second.
And don't forget, you can look directly into the Eclipse if you hum while you're doing it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm problematic babe. I don't have good advice.
That's right, episode 76. Please trust the process. It's your boy, the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDive, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. shout out to Mix Pac in the building. We will be at Red Bull Culture Clash, by the way.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Skirt, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. Jameson Same fat dick. I'll ghost on you, shorty. Peep the power. You know what I'm saying? I am no fucking baby, my nigga. I fucking man.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? And on that tip, check the fucking guest list again, you fat piece of shit. I'm definitely on it. And no, I'm not stepping to the side while you fucking check. Call the promoter. His name is Julio, nigga. I'm here to spend money on hookah. What's good? You know what I'm saying? I do a backflip into the pool, nigga, to impress my kids because I'm the fucking dad of the year. A.K.A. Been Smack Beyond, but we been doing this. A.K.A. Phil the Ass Tyson. A.K.A. Lionel Messi. MVP of La Mota. Enciende el Plong. A.K.A. Tom Brady. Your shorty got my balls kind of deflated. We're facing suspension. A.K.A. the Dominican Dondada. A.K.A. Dick in your Bayman Tumbo. You not go in that pussy no more. That pussy belong to me now.
Aww.
A.K.A. Ben Boston. The precision of a Swiss watch. I will remove your brain cerebellum and insert a Nintendo Switch in there. Now you can play Mario Kart with your friends at ease. You're welcome. What's hard again? Candy, put your titties away. A.K.A. Lionel Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. Now you're broken and you're fine. I'll give y'all a little vibrato on that one. A.K.A. I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga, so please secure your benzos. Cause it's the Zen Man. Bottom sticks. A.K.A. Rico Sabroso. A.K.A. Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. A.K.A. Baby Newport. A.K.A. Nino Brown. A.K.A. East Tree Beat. Stevie B. Catch me live at Cortona Park. I wanna be the one your TT is fucking. A.K.A. straight out of Birmingham, Santo Domingo. My from is Santo Domingo. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. And you might wonder why I am not wearing pants. The only nigga to drop 62 out of MSG. Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! And once again, if you see me at Target, respect my agency, dog. Approach me like an ursine mammal, please. I put stuff on the bottom of the car because I'm going to steal it, my nigga. Don't make it hot. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la pista. Oye, ¿qué es lo que fue? Llegó el hijo de Tito y FIFA bajando duro para 2018, dando para por todos lados. La marca que no se quema, pateando el blon como Valderrama. Y tú, el huevo que mama. Me quité. Yeah. We had locksmiths tonight, probably. You know what I'm saying? On all type of shit. Holla at your boy.
Yo. As always, and Mero mentioned, catch us in ATL Daddy. We out there dirty.
Hey, dirty.
Hey, we out there. We're gonna record some vines at the gas station.
Can't wait.
You know what I'm saying? Yep.
We got the emoji sweatsuits on deck.
Yep. Yep.
Hey, hit them folks.
Yep.
Hey, hit them
Yep.
folks. Hey,
Yep.
hit them folks.
Yep, now we out there for the Red Bull Town Clash.
You know what I mean?
You know what it is. You want to see your boys out there.
That's right.
That's right. We out there.
Big up. And also big up Square Cash.
Boom, boom, boom.
You know what I'm saying?
Bodega. Dreams in the building, remember? Your cash tag.
You know what I'm
what you
saying?
want it for.
It has to be something for real.
Something for real. So
You know
you
what I'm
believe in.
saying?
We see some of y'all clothing lines. We see it. We got the podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
If you believe in it, you want to make it happen, we'll make it happen.
You know what I'm saying?
Also, we're trying to get back to schools and stuff, so hit us up if you
Yeah.
need money. You know, say 1-800-223-9797.
Download the app. That's
Yep.
all you got to do. Follow Bodega Boys. That's all you got to do. Hit mics up. That's all you got to do.
That's
Make it
right.
happen.
Listen, we making it easy.
And it's Boog, B-O-O-G, because I see a lot of people spelling it Boog like Jug.
Yeah.
It's 2 O's.
It's good.
It's 2 O's.
Shout out to
But it's
Boog.
cool. Shout out to y'all.
Shout out to y'all for trying.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out for us for winning.
You know
Shout
what
out to
I mean?
Red Bull.
Out here.
Yeah, the brand is strong, brand is brolic.
You know
And
what I'm
be sure to check out #1 show, most illustrious show in late night
That's
television.
right, you fucking ball bags. Desus and Mero.
Did he said number one?
Number 1.
Shout out to the Hive. We out.
Peace.